Violate that bitch. I did. Yeah. Violate that bitch. I did.
I just wanna rock. Body out of y'all.
Damn.
MC, make another hit.
This ain't what you want.
Project X.
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. 1600 block. I just wanna rock. I just wanna I just wanna rock. Body out of ya. Shorty got that body out of ya. Hit it once, no time. Side up, fuck, you gon' kill my vibe. Stand on my money, don't know my size. Pick them sides, and you better choose wisely. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, throw up to 5. That's my high.
Damn.
1, 2, 3, 4, throw up to 5.
MC, make another hit.
This ain't what you want.
Project X.
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.
I've been out late night creeping, shot slide on bitches. Posted up with the militia. Niggas ain't switching. Mine on missions. Mine on pussy and millions. Mine on pussy and millions. I'm tryna call a sex symbol to eat my kids up. They say more money, more problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the motherfucking problems. They say more money, more problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the motherfucking problems. Hey. Braid it up in my Suizo. Hit them, then I get amnesia. Life ain't getting any easier. Flacosita. I know that I'm not in love. She don't love me either. It's just hard to find a love. This shit keep on getting deeper. Who said it's cheaper to keep her? I'd rather release her body and give it away like a feature. You know the procedure. Niggas is pre and it got, so we stay with the sweeper. I'm rapping 4L in my 20s, so treacherous. Introduce y'all to the leader.
Come to me without a smoke. I like the money for sure, but I love the hustle the most. She pretty, she show out for toes. And my patties, they came with a pole. Know this money bring envy and jealousy. I'm like, fuck it, I want me some more. Hit it from the back, she bent up. Playing with the money, get spent up. Chains on my neck, no Kenta. You the type of girl I pay rent for. Suck it in the car, that's what the tent for. Bought me a plane, not a Sprinter. $250,000 on a dental. She say I'm a stepper, but gentle.
I've been out late night creeping, shot slide on bitches. Posted up with the militia. Niggas ain't switching. Mine on missions. Mine on pussy and millions. Mine on pussy and millions. I'm tryna call a sex symbol to eat my kids up. They say more money, more problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the motherfucking problems. They say more money, more problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the problems. Bring on the motherfucking.
Only sign in the game.
Just one of my pillows.
Yeah.
Just one of my pillows.
We ain't even out in Turks, she finna take sand. Riding around with F and then we like to hold hands. Both was 2 sipped out, he ain't need a bed. Then I did the pint of tech in a cold red. If I tell this bitch to pull her, she gon' moped it. My doggy don't smoke on shit unless it's unleaded. I don't back and forth over no net, so just gon' did it. See me when you see me, if it's smoke, doggy, unleash it. Did my rockin' bitch, it's my fave, I'ma gon' beat it. Looking in the mirror, kiss my face, I'm too conceited. Send a girl home, call another dog, I'm too slime. She ain't wanna eat it on the first day it's her round. I don't fuck with drugs, popping X for the first time. That shit kicked in like a 2-time world champ. Booted up, that shit held up and downs like a skate ramp. She vaping in my room, that shit lit up like a glow lamp. Who won't smoke? Okay, cool, let's stay whole camp. Big shit popper, we the ones that get your shirt down. Niggas try to take a nigga's spot and that's too cramped. Up 8 a.m., geeking hard, I'm a real vamp. These niggas got me fucked up, dog, I'm 2M. Made this bitch lit me like a mail stamp. Strapped up, fuck it, I'ma die lit. 2 slime posted at the crib in a snake pit. Every time I tell you how I feel, I don't fake shit. And don't even mention the foe, unless you was tryna go broke. Oh damn, man, you niggas is the worst. Savage, snatch you out your crib, then drop you in a hearse. Baby, please, when we nervous, stop reaching in your purse. Nigga went and bought a house when he could've bought a verse. Niggas dumb as fuck. Imagine if I did that stupid shit when I was coming up. My crib feel like a hedge fund. I be in here just thumbing up. No, I'm SM1 till I'm done fucking London up. Niggas make me nauseous. I had enough of broke boys. I can't talk to broke boys. I can't talk to broke boys, 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 I can't talk to broke boys. All you niggas make me sick, all you niggas rapping about the bricks and the licks. Then I hear in real life you living with your bitch. I can't talk to broke boys, I can't talk to broke boys, I can't talk to broke boys. I don't want no convo, I don't got no time for niggas posting mansion, living in a condo. Y'all be make believing, I cannot relate to ya. I can't talk to broke boys, I can't talk to broke boys. I cannot believe y'all was dissing on an old boy. I can't even think of how you came up with that flow, boy. Please talk to someone else, cause I can't talk to broke boy. I can't talk to broke boy. I can't talk to broke boys, I can't talk to broke boy. I can't talk to broke boy, no, I can't talk to broke boy. I can't talk to... That nigga's crazy.
Hello, hello, hello. Why can't I connect my camera? Oh, there you go. I was like, what? Oh, man. What up, what up, what up? What's going on, chat? Yo, the gang. I'm playing. Yo, I was trying to get him to I was donating to him last night. I was trying to get him to say DVS, but there's way too many text and speech messages at the time. I've been sick. One more time. Hey, welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another day. You know, another day in the markets. What can we say? We got 2 days left. We got today and tomorrow because Friday's a bank holiday, right? Today is a chill day. You know, we got nothing going on today. Pretty chill day. You have nothing, literally nothing today. No USD news until 10 a.m. Minor news, yellow folder. I don't even count this as a news folder. Tomorrow you have a big day. You have CPI unemployment claims at 8:30, but you know, today we're chilling. So let's focus on today because tomorrow is for tomorrow, right? You don't gotta focus on tomorrow. No news day. Let's get it. Yes, sir. No news day. Nothing in the way. Just clean, plain positions. Lovely. No buy stops. No sell stops. No intuition trading, you know. This water tastes delicious this morning. You know, sometimes water just tastes delicious sometimes. Sometimes it just hits a little different, you know. I will say one thing though, the water in New York was disgusting. Poland Spring ain't it, bruh. I'm dehydrated? Well, I just woke up. I'm trying to drink at least. I'm trying. My goal for now is maybe like at least 3 or 4 of these a day. This is. I think this is like 700 milliliters. This is almost a liter. I'm trying to get at least 3 of these a day. Yeah, this is 769 milliliters. 769 milliliters. 26 ounces. Yeah. Try and get at least like 3 of these a day. 2 threes, 3 fours. Come to a topic? What I mean, this is a topic. Talking about water. You know, what's more important, trading or water? Water, see? Alright. Yeah, fine. I guess I'll go to the topic. We have time here. We have like 15 minutes left, right? So that's why I'm killing time, because we have a lot of time to do our analysis. But yeah, no news today, guys. Let me actually pop this up real quick. We've been playing the same music all week, but you know, it's a new album, so still listening, still bumping. All right, so starting off with GJ here. GJ for the weekly is as you can see, pretty bullish though. We did close bearish last week. Give me a second, sorry, I gotta update this Zoom call and send this actually real quick. I need my annotations. Sorry, hold up. What's the original line? I'm a savage. Classic, bougie. How's it go? CEO. All right, so we discussed this week how the weekly is overall still bullish. We are closing above these levels here. We are still above these levels here. I would expect this to be a range that we are in. It's not until we actually close bullish off the weekly is when we'll have this direction and price to drive up. But for the time being, since we're still above this resistance, I would expect us to at least close bullish this week, respecting that the week after, which is next week, could drive up, since the monthly candle is still bullish, right? So if the monthly candle is still bullish here and the first 2 weeks are closing bullish, high chance that the next week's candle could pop up and that could flip the monthly time frame to the upside, because the monthly is still bullish. The monthly candle closed above this range here. So this is just a bottom wick on the monthly, whereas the weekly is just respecting support, right? So yeah, that kind of plays out. Overall for the day though, I am bearish for the day. Again, the monthly and weekly are relevant to the daily. It's just a higher time frame, higher picture. Keep that in the back of your mind, but your focus today is to keep an eye out for the daily, because you want to see what the daily candle is going to do, because all you're doing is trying to catch the current ranges on a small time frame, right? So the day today is pretty bearish. I would say that you are tapping the support though, or you could, this is my target today. That's the support to the left there, the 166 mark-ish levels. You did close bearish yesterday, right, at resistance, so that indicates that, okay, we have found resistance and therefore price can pop down to retest the lows here. So that's why that's my target, around those levels to the left. As for positions today, I would prefer sells. Wow, the 4 candle is pretty clean. Interesting 4-hour candle. You closed bearish. Did we close bearish back into the range? And you closed bearish right at support. Interesting. I mean, you can argue and say it closed a little below the range. I mean, none, like the daily is still bearish, right? So if I'm looking for sells today, I would want sells today. I would want to wait for this 1 hour candle to close first, and then I would probably mark this up as a support here at the 166.347 mark. All right, this would probably be my support, because see how you have this right here, like this below here, like technically this below here off the previous 1 hour candle, the 6 a.m. candle was clean drive down, but it made a top wick and it never came back down, right? Unless they can come down in the next 12 minutes here. But again, we don't know what's gonna happen here in 12 minutes, right? So we gotta wait. But if you flip bearish and you're back into the zone here, I'll say, okay, well, you can take sells coming down, or two, you can wait for a breakout below here, below 166, because below there you have cleaner traffic to drive down towards 165.800. So pretty interested in the sells today. It's just a matter of if we can actually get closures for the sells to drive down, right, towards the next support level. But yeah, anything below 166.347 would be ideal. As for gold here, gold for the daily is or the weekly or the monthly is bearish for the monthly. We're still overall bearish for the month. The weekly, however, is pretty bullish. We didn't mention that yesterday's on Monday's live stream. Actually, we are in this range. Price closed bullish on Friday, right? So Sunday we opened up, we're bullish until the next resistance, which is up here, 1720. If you go back to Monday stream, we did break that level down, and we just tapped it yesterday, a little later in the day. The daily yesterday was bullish as well. If you guys caught that breakdown, congrats. I did say the daily was pretty bullish and expect a seller replay to happen, even though we closed bearish yesterday, right? I was more so on the bullish side yesterday than bearish side, because again, same thing as what GJ for the weekly is doing is the same thing the daily candle on gold is doing. It's just daily celery. It's closing respect and support. I would expect this candle to drive up, break the highs, and to continue up towards the next resistance, right? Because if this is a small time frame, this would be a range 2 breakout, right? If this is a 30-minute time frame, what would you say? You'll probably be like, okay, well, this is your first support down here, right? And then this is your next resistance over here. And then since this bearish candle closed bearish, right, after closing bullish, this is a new range. So this is range 1, and then this is range 2 right here. You break the highs, that's the celery to drive up to retest the highs, which is 1720 levels, right? So pretty bullish for the day today as well. You do have a remaining range of I think till 1727 today, so I'm looking for buys until then. I think that range going up is 40 or 140 pips. So buys for me would be, ooh, this 1 hour candle is gonna close in 9 minutes here, not too bad. You have a support right here. You got a support right here at 1706. Let me just rework the support here. I'll say more so of this level here. Yeah, that's fine. This support right here to the left, going across, right? You have rejections here. I'm trying to find the medium average, resistance here. So drag a line going across, and that takes you down to 1705, right? So that's why my support isn't here. It's gonna be here. Because if I'm looking for sells today, I would prefer sells at the cleanest levels, which is going to be below 1705, right? There's no need to add a line here. It's just irrelevant data. It's like a 10 pip difference, right? So I'll say that's my support, and then this is my resistance. Yeah, this 30-minute resistance here, 1 hour / 30. Let's go across and confirm this resistance real quick. Yeah, resistance here, right here, 1715, right? Because you have this right here going across. You have this support right here. Price staying close below, failed to drive down, came back up, retest the highs. Resistance here, failed to close above, never continue up because it never closed above. At one point, this candle was strongly bullish, came back down, respected the same support it respected in the past. Therefore, this is a pretty consistent and heavy resistance. So this right here is a range on its own, basically from 1705 to 1715. Now you can probably go on a small time from the 30 and just break it down further, draw more support and resistance levels here. For the time being here, I'm just gonna have this line here for the time being. But overall, this is your overall range here, right? your overall range here. This is the range you're gonna spend the next couple of probably hours in until you break out 1715 to 1705. But I'm pretty bullish for our day today since the day is bullish. So if I'm looking for buys, I wouldn't mind taking buys above 1710 going up towards 1715. All right. I think this 1 hour candle's got to close first in about 7 minutes here, and once it does that, we can take buys going up if it closes above. And obviously range to sells would be below 1705 here, right? Because this is gonna be your range 1 here, I'll say, right? This is your range 1, and then this is your range 2. Because price came up, resistance, support, oops, resistance, support, range, resistance again, support. So range 1, range 2, range 2 breakouts would be below here. Anything below 75 would be valid for sells today. So we can put range 2 sells below here. I actually gotta mark this up. You see how the 1 hour time frame support is at like 1705. So if the 1 hour support is at 1705.775, you might as well move it down to 30, which is down here, 1705.460. I think that difference was maybe like 3 pips. So 3 pips, but a more logical support level, right? So we'll save you in the future. Yeah, chat. Sells below here will be valid. All right, so now just sit back, relax, and just wait for these sells to occur. And if it don't occur today, then you don't take any positions, right? That's what we did yesterday. And that's what we do every day. All right. W. So now we have 6 minutes to wait for the 1 hour candle. Anticipation. And maybe we could get positions today. Why the hell are footprint charts? The chats go yesterday? No. I saw a go move. I was looking at buys at 1700 to 1710, but I'm like, you know what? Q4, I don't give a fuck if it drives. I'm not taking a position here. Gotta be disciplined sometimes, you know. Q4, like I told myself, I'm gonna take it easy. Q4, I am not gonna be trading past 9, 10ish, you know. Q4. So that's why yesterday I kind of just want to. I just wanted to take that one position early in the day, and that's it. The price drop an extra 1,000 pips after. Yeah, it sure did. You know, but that's none of my business, right? Because my plan was to trade from 6:30 to 9:30. 9. So anything that happens after that is irrelevant to me. That's not part of my plan, and I can't miss a move. It's not part of my plan. So yeah, you gotta be disciplined, man, guys. You gotta be disciplined. You know, once you say something, do what you said. Don't say something and then do something different. You gotta be disciplined. Stick to your plan, not someone else's plan. Your plan. Because you will keep getting clapped in the markets, right? Long term, if you keep switching plans, not following your rules, right? It's not worth it. I know sometimes it might be like, yo, but it's just one trade though. Like, I just want to see what will happen here in this one trade. No. That one trade doesn't lead to another trade. Like, you guys know exactly why you guys are losing. And you guys are yet still doing the same thing. Which is not staying true to your plan. You guys are just hopping strategies, hopping, trying different things out because you want a position. No. Stick to your plan. There's no excuses. You making excuses is you making excuses just for you to overtrade or over leverage, whatever it is that you're doing. And I ain't gonna cut it in FX, man. I'm sorry, but it's not gonna work out. Go to Yodi Land. Oh man. Access denied. Seven point 79, 76.35. Sheesh. Wow, we are up an extra 3,000. Oops. What's the streak here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We haven't lost chat since October 7th. That was the last time. So a little over a month. Not too bad, huh? Not too bad. Ooh. 3-minute fake out on DJ? Come to the UK, you be my guest? You didn't let me stay in your crib? Hey. If I stay in your crib, you promise me you won't take my MT5 account? What do you think about what do you think of what do you think of the buy on what did you think of the buy on earlier this morning? What buy earlier? Which buys? Come to Pakistan, you'll be my guest. I come to Pakistan, you're not gonna take my 95, right? Oh shoot. Trade's taken. I gotta delete that. That was from yesterday. How long did it take to become consistent, bro? Took me about a year. But every year is a different level of consistency. So the consistency I was in 2019 is way different to the consistency I was in 2020 compared to 2021 and 2022. And holy shit, we are about to enter 2023 chat in about. You have basically a month and a half until 2023, and COVID was 3 years ago. COVID was 3 years ago. 3.5 years ago, right? Or no, 3 years ago. Damn. That's crazy to me, man. When COVID happened, I was 19, 20. At the time, I just started streaming too. So we can call ourselves the COVID streamers. We can call ourselves the COVID streamers. That's what we are. 33.3. Hey, thank you for 33.3. Yeah, we can call ourselves like COVID streamers because streamed since like 2020 in March. Wait, where's the yeah, yo, this year's almost done. Reflect. Oh wait, sorry, the 1 hour close there. Chat, the 1 hour candle on gold close or GG closed bullish. But it closed bullish, respecting this resistance here. So it's still in the zone here. Therefore, since the day bias is bearish, if you can get a 30 closure or a 1 hour closure that closes bearish like so, you can take positions later to come down to retest the lows. That's the position I'm looking for here. I just want to see if we could close below here for positions, but let's see what happens here. I think the 30 closed doji, right? Or weak bearish. Yeah, close low, weak bearish here. It's not enough for me. I need a 1 hour closure, or at least a strong 30 closure, and then gold here on a 1 hour closed doji as well. So we're still in the zone here. Therefore, I would expect us to at least drive up here, because look what happened to the left. I know this might be hard to read here, but if you guys pay close attention here, there's a support right here, and then there's like a resistance like right around here. This is the range that we are currently in, right? So if you're closing doji but respecting the support again, because this support was created earlier, I think during London, price came down 5 a.m, came down to 1703, came back up, closed bullish at 1708. 1708 is also a strong support here again, right? So if you're closing bullish back into the range there, the next candle closes doji, respecting, it's still respecting the same level. So this candle here, I wouldn't be surprised if it starts to head up and make its way up towards the top of the range here, which is at the 1710-ish marks. It's like a 10 range going up, but it's still a candle breakdown. It's just not enough for me to take a position just yet. I'm gonna need a bigger range here. So that's why I'm saying like anything above 1710 would be perfect. So this candle should take us up towards that resistance, but then it's up to this candle here to decide if it's gonna close bullish or not, right? Because we know it's gonna drive up here. We know it's gonna drive towards 1710, but it's just a matter of, can we stay and close above? Because if we don't close above, what's gonna happen is it's gonna do what these candles did, reject, right? So closure above would do what this candle did. Close above would take us up towards where? Next resistance, which is 1715. That's why I got buys above here. All right. Tap 1710 here in 20 seconds, chat. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, what a nice just tap target. Nice. Beautiful candle. It's tomorrow CPI. Yeah, tomorrow CPI. So today's a range.
I guess we'll never know.
I don't know. Shit. I don't know. Are you good, Don? Yeah, I'm chilling. I'm chilling, waiting for his counts to close. I learned more in the live streams than any other web. I'm glad. Wasn't there a fake on gold on a 30-minute time frame? To the upside, to the downside. I've been trading for 4 years, trading Forex for 1. In the last 4 months, I've been consistent and profitable every month. So far, the lowest month was 3% gain and the highest was a 5. That's pretty consistent. That's pretty nice. Yeah, those are good numbers right there, man. Well, 5% a month is pretty good numbers. Considering that everyone at one point was a losing trader, stuck at the break-even stage, finishing off 4 or 5% consecutive months in a row it shows that you can actually do it. So just rinse and repeat, and that will increase over time. Next month it's gonna be maybe another 5. The month after maybe 3. The month after maybe 1. The month after maybe 10. But don't force percentages. Let the percentages come to you. When there's volume, there's volume. You trade when there's volume. When there's no volume, there's no volume. But can you control volume? Nah. Things you can control in FX. Let's see. Things you can control in trading. The emotions. Risk management. Trades. Trade decisions. Things you can't control in trading. You cannot control volume. When the market moves, timing. You can't control these things. So you can only control what you could control. As easy as it sounds. A lot of people struggle with this. They can't control their emotions. They can't control their risk management. They make this they base the decisions off of emotions, right? This is how you fail as a trader. And you can't do these things. But things you can't control is volume, when the market moves, timing. Probably other things out there too, but those are the main points I'm trying to get across there. You know, if you guys can go on the live streams this year, any point on the live streams and show me one trade on this spreadsheet that was based off of emotions, I will give you this account. Because it ain't gonna happen, man. Never was I like, you know what, fuck it, I'm gonna take this trade here. I stop sell news, you know, never. No emotions. So you come to the streams here, you see me sitting here on my hands, you know, waiting for your subs, not getting any, you know, getting emotional, and just following the plan, right? Like we already drew out what we're looking for. It's just a matter of us waiting for those positions to come to us. Again, we let these positions come to us, and if we take the position, we're taking the positions, right? When we see the positions, we're taking the positions. It doesn't make sense for you to plan things out and then not take the positions because you're getting nervous, you're getting scared now. It doesn't matter. You already said what you were gonna do. You have to act upon. If it happens to be a win, good shit. If it happens to be a loss, good shit. You waited for your plan. You won. It doesn't matter what the result was, win or loss. You still waited for your plan to come to you. That's all that matters, right? Powerball? Yeah, I won that shit. I mean, I didn't win that shit. Don't worry. I didn't win. It wasn't me. Yo, Wickstein's not here today. Did he win? I think the winner was announced in LA. What were the numbers that got drawn? $10, 33, 41, 47, 56. Yo, didn't I say a good handful of these numbers yesterday? 10, 33, 40. Hold on. I said something like that yesterday. Where did I say it though is the real question. I want to see. I want to see. I think I said 3 of those numbers. I just want to see. Obviously, I didn't get all of them, but 11. Oh no, that's not it. I'm not gonna find it, MI. It's too like.
like shiitake. They try to get spicy with me, so I wonder how they gon' stop me. I'm really on a roll like Hamachi. The fuck would y'all really do without me? For your birthday, your man got a table at Hibachi. Last time I ate there, Wayne was doing numbers.
I want to find it.
Paris Hilton was steady ducking the paparazzi. Quavo might have sent me a song that he called Versace. I really can't remember it properly. All I know is that God got me. I'm sitting on large property. Treat me like a newborn Lucian, not dropping me. I'm going Pink Floyd.
This is what I used to do, chat. Back in the day, when I used to edit my videos, I would go back in my streets and do this. I'd be like, when did I say that goal was gonna drive up? And now I just look like this on the live. I'm like, where was it? It used to be a grind. When you're an upcoming content creator, you have to make your own videos, right? Because you don't have funds to or so you don't have, it's something you don't have funds. You know, like it's hard to find the right people to edit your stuff, right? So you kind of gotta edit your stuff by yourself, and then you gotta go back in your streams and look back at your content and be like, hey, when did I do this? When did I do that? And then you gotta screen record it, or you know, download the part where you did that, crop it out, cut it off. So wait, this is the wrong stream, man. No wonder. Oh, brother. This is the wrong stream. This is not even this isn't even the right one. I don't think it's even up, to be honest. Wow, what a waste of time. No wonder I couldn't find it. I'm like, why am I struggling so hard here? Oh, I got blocked yesterday. What song did it get blocked by? I think it was blocked in some territories, blocked in some territories, blocked in some territories, blocked in some territories. I still feel by myself though. Of course I can. Yes. So Wickstein came to the streams, and then we started talking about some Powerball numbers. So he came on during this time period. So therefore, even you just start talking, Wickstein started yapping a lot around like the 7:30, around the 7:45 to 88 at the 8 AM mark. So it should be around here somewhere when Wickstein starts talking. So then we probably bring up the Powerball, you know, and then as he brings up the Powerball, should be around this mark. Should be around this mark. Wait, we have a closure here at 15. Yeah, not much we can do here. 15. We're waiting for a 30 closure, right? Oh yeah, look, 1710 got tapped, chat. There we go. But yeah, you gotta wait for a 30 closures here on both currencies. Oh, there we go, right there. See, right on time. Look at that analysis. 754-ish. One. Oh, okay. I got one number. Never mind. Wow. All the results. It was 33, 41, 47. Never mind. I get no numbers. Yeah, just why I didn't win the Powerball yesterday. That's why I didn't win the Powerball. Bro, I was watching the stream while I was streaming. Hey, that's called back testing. That's one thing. That's a way to back test. When you can live stream your own videos, chat, it's great because you can back test. I think Kay does that. She just like records herself trading, but then she cuts off a lot of parts for show over trades, you know. I'm playing. All right, you know what we should do today? We should look at charts for stream. What is this? I have trust issues now with this charts here, but range going up on Tuesday. Is this Nav? No, this is Nav deep. Someone else. And sales going down. Okay, okay. So any text here? You know, you add some text here, man. I know we trade similar, and I kind of know what you're doing here, but for people that don't know what, like, the way when you send charts, you should be saying charts as if no one knows how you trade. You have to explain it from start to finish, right? What is this, a Fibonacci retracement? Sheesh. Another Fib retracement. Yes, I'm already in a sell. Shit. My bad, man. My bad. When someone sends a chart with a sniper entry.
The lights of the Eiffel Tower. I'm in charge of it. I'm the one who's putting it on every day. And you try to flex next to me on the red light with your ugly whatever flexing most expensive car V12. I drive a 4-cylinder.
Post your expensive indicator. What is this? This is a chart from Tiago. He says sells on the breakup is low below its 1 hour support. We'd like the candle printed like this for sells for the onion, basically. Okay, because you want what you want here is basically support for resistance form, for range form. Take a sell at the top of the range, drop down to the bottom of the range, and to continue down. I like the idea. 15-minute close above 5-minute crate celery place order after retesting the last low and have been activated first. Nice punch, but price action go back and close on the stop loss. You're up around 20 pips here. No, never mind. This is a 5. Never mind. Yeah, this is a 5-minute time frame. I'm not sure how the 30 and the 15 and the 1 hour looks here in this case. This is what I mean, chat. Like I think everyone in the stream here knew that we're gonna drop towards 1710, right? From 1709 here. But it's just a matter of like if we can close above to stay up and to continue its trend. That's it. So that's what I'm waiting for. That's what we're waiting for here, at least. We want to see if we can close above here, right? The bias going up. What can I do to come live with you? Damn, that's a lot to ask for, bro. Yeah, beat the ultimate boss first. You gotta beat the ultimate boss. X9 in a 30 in a 30 dance battle. They just want to rock. And then you have to beat Yodi Gang to fuck. What does he do to what does he say again? Yo, nice. What's that thing he says? Yeah, about the blinkers. Says he says man, what does he say? He usually says it before he hits the blinkers. I gotta hit this I don't know, chat help me out. I don't know, I forgot. And then you have to beat Marcos in FIFA. And then me in NHL, obviously. Do you gotta say more? No, after that. No, before that. What can I do to come live with you? Alright, brother. I don't know, man. You have to be. I just listed what you gotta do first. Is that a twin size bed behind you? No, this is a double, right? I don't know. This is it's a full bed, full. So that's like a double, right? Basically. Yeah. Man, back in the day, when I was younger, I used to have a twin or a single. No, I never had a single actually. I've had a twin. If you have a crib, bro, that's a small bed, man. That's a small bed. If you have a crib, like this is your body. Like if you got a crib, this is your body. There's no way. This is where your head is, right? Your body. There's no way. Like this is you. This is how you're sleeping at night. You're sleeping like your legs are just like from the side view. So this is the bed, right? From the side view, this is gonna be you. There's no way you're sleeping like this. There's no shot. If you get a crib size bed, sheesh. What's a split California or California king bed? Oh yeah, that's a big bed. I remember. That's isn't that Rihanna's song? Ooh, 5 minutes left for our third closure, guys. Can we close below here to drive down? Find out. I want gold today though. We traded GG yesterday, but I'm really locked into gold today. I believe gold's price action is a tad cleaner. What can I do to come live with you? Where's Wix? He's not awake yet. He's sleeping. Did you guys win Asian last night? Or did you guys take any trades? Wix 9. Oh yeah, the stream starting soon to smoke it. What's the sleeper music, Wix 9?
Because that's how we find the range. Oh shit. Coward? Well, you'll see them probably chain their bike to the. Yeah, that must
Nothing
be like
happened yesterday, right? I'm pretty sure.
Georgia Pete. So now that we got.
Yeah, I saw Asia. I'm like, yo, I don't know how Wix 9 streams Asian every day, but cause sometimes you look at Asian, you know when it's gonna move or not, right? Yes, you just knew it was gonna move. By the way price action looked, it just didn't look like there was volume, or not that there's volume that. Because sometimes like you can anticipate price is gonna move before you have volume off the way the account is closed and the day account closes, but it's the way it was printing last night. I was like, how is he gonna survive talking for an hour and a half, 2 hours on the streamer? Candle close below for sells. Nice. But why'd you send this chart after it played out, huh? Just sent it before it played out. No, I'm playing. I like that idea though. I was looking at that as well. Yeah. I just wanted a 30 close or a stronger close on a 30. But yeah, I liked how, because the 1 hour candle close respecting, right? So if the 1 hour is respecting and you have a 30 closure, you respect those highs, you should continue to drive. How big are your stops? 15 pips? Yeah, that's not too bad. Pretty nice position. I always mess with my support and resistance. How can I correct? You gotta keep practicing. You gotta keep practicing, and you gotta find a way to mark your support and resistance based on not using emotions. So you're basically your own algo. The way you mark up your support and resistance should be the same way every given time. It should be based off the same idea. Because that same idea is a consistent plan. Whereas if you go off of emotions all day, it's not going to be the same support and resistance every time. Some days it could be here, some days it could be here. So make sure you have a consistent strategy to mark up your support and resistance. If you want to know what I do when I look for my support and resistance, search up controller FX. This video right here, 8 months ago. All right, and then it'll teach you how. It'll tell you how I find my support and resistance. Wix 9. Some wasted algo. Algo has a way. Has awakened. Yes, fuck me. This guy triggers in his feelings in this song. Can you explain ranges for a 90th time? Maybe later. Why did you choose 30-minute time frame? Well, I chose a 30-minute time frame. I don't choose a 30-minute time frame. The 30-minute time frame chooses me. In this case, I just wanted a stronger close. So the next candle that closes was a 30-minute candle, right? In this case, it closed. So yeah, Chad, this ain't too bad for GJ. Gold had a close as well. Yeah, gold closed 30 on bearish on 30 here as well. I was worried about. Remember how earlier I was worried about the 1 hour candle here? For gold, I think I'll wait for the 1 hour here. I want to see if we can close below 17.05 for sales. But GJ here ain't too bad here. GJ ain't too bad here. Has the 1 hour candle closed earlier, respecting the resistance. Yeah, story ain't bad. If we can come up to like taps 167, 062, we'll have sell stops. If not, we'll wait for the 1 hour candle. Actually, you know what? What is this that I see right here? Because I spy with my little eyes here that there's a resistance here. I didn't see this earlier. I was looking at this, right? But there is a support here. So I think what I'm going to do actually is wait for the 1 hour candle in this case. The 1 hour candle in about 28 minutes here. Because if we can close bearish on the 1 hour candle below that zone, below the 166 860 mark, then we can take sales coming down at 8 AM. That'll be a much more comfortable position I'll be in, to be honest. In a much cleaner position. I'm just a 22-year-old waiting for a closure below the range. I'm not a 36, 35 millionaire just yet, multi-millionaire just yet. But hopefully in 10, 15 years, I will be a multi-millionaire. What was it, 35, 36, 37, 38, something like that? What account stuff do you trade, Don? I trade a 200k account. This account started off at around 145k. Yo, chat, I technically should be lowering my lot size of quarter four. That's what I do almost every year. But there's still volume this year. Like, I haven't lowered my lot size once. Because usually I should cut it to like a 5, 10 max, right? It's at 20 right now. As fixed lot sizes, but usually I cut down quarter four lot sizes until next year, and then next year I look to increase my lot sizes again, right? So that's usually what I would do. I'll pull back to go back up to retest the highs, basically. But I haven't done that this year just yet, so I don't know. Quarter four hasn't slowed down yet, so until it actually slows down, like, I'm gonna keep the same lot sizes, I guess. Remember me, Don? Yeah, I think I remember you. Yeah, I think you were here when we had like maybe 30 viewers. I remember. It's crazy how the people who come back and like, yo, remember me? I'm like, yeah, I actually do remember you, because I remember the day ones, the real ones, the ones that helped me get the channel started. Because without the first 10 viewers, obviously we wouldn't be here, right? It starts with the first 10 viewers, and then from there you just kind of build that momentum. But when you don't have 10 viewers, you can't grow. So that's why those first 10 viewers are very crucial. Without them, we wouldn't be here. Or if any of you guys wouldn't be here, obviously. But so when you decrease the lots after January, I usually pull back to the current lot size that I'm currently using. And then throughout the year, I'll increase them. So I think this year we started increasing our lot sizes in maybe like March, April. And then from there, we stuck with the same lot size the whole year. So it's not like 2022, boom, 2023 off the rip, I increased my lot size. It's more so of over time next year. Let's go back in Telegram days. Yeah, Telegram days were crazy. I'm gonna let that guy live here or what? My bed's not big enough, bro. How long you been trading? I've been trading for, I think this is, yeah, quarter four. December is like my 4th year basically, so 3 and some change right now. I've been streaming for 2 years though. More money, more problems. Bring the problems. Bring the problems. Good morning, TT. Hey, the real TT is here. Yo, TT, always locked in here. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Hey, Don, I thought the third mid GG candle was a continuation candle after the previous candle closed below the resistance. Yeah, but then I realized that there was like a support here, right? I'm gonna show you real quick. You see this line here? I seen this after, but I wasn't comfortable taking this. If this wasn't here, I'll be fine taking it, because then you have clean traffic going down towards here. But then I've noticed this. So I want to see if we can close below that zone there. Take us down. Because every time you close below there, what happened? Price drove down, right? In this case, close below, price drove down, had no bottom wick, couldn't continue. So that's obviously break even. Price closed below, drove down, we're at tap, this zone here. Same thing. Close below, where it come down to, this zone here. Close below, where it come down to, this zone here. We're close below, or they didn't close below yet. But if it does, it can come down to where? This zone here. So same thing could happen here. But you need a closure first for that to happen. Below 166,860 to be exact, right? That exact support. Used to be an IM Academy. It's alright. It's okay being IML Academy. At least you're here. That matters. I believe a lot of mods have gone because they learn how to trade. But being a mod is not like, being a mod isn't to like, I was like, you're not a mod because you know how to trade. Like, I'm not every mod that I mod up like knows how to trade. You know, some mods still struggle to this day. But it's more so about the support, like devious support, right? That's all that is really. Like, do you mess with us? If you leave, then you shouldn't be a mod in the first place, right? So that's why we update our mod lists every now and then. What's your job off stream? I play video games. I play hockey. I go to hang with my girl. I go to hockey games. That's what I do. Straight up. That's what I do. that's literally what I do. Like, this is all hockey news, right? This is all hockey news. You're fully funded by trading? Yeah, I've been full time since 2019 October. As a trader, I just don't tune into the stream because your bias sometimes makes me change what I see. Yeah, no, I understand that. I definitely understand that. Yeah, man, I gotta make a push this month. Like, I actually gotta make a push this month to get my license because I need a car. I don't need a car really, but I'm tired. I don't want to Uber anymore. You know, Ubering racks up because, for example, I played hockey yesterday, right? I Uber there, it's like 25. Uber back 25. I'm paying $60 in Uber just to play hockey, right? It's like, bro, that's like gas for a week. So it's like, I gotta get a car. What car would you get? Just a basic Tesla. That's about it. I'll be cool with the Tesla. Yeah. Oh, here we go again. Don, get this, get that, get this. No, Don, you should look. Yo, you know what you should get, Don? Yo, you should get a Hellcat, Don. Yo, Don, you seen that new M4 that came out the other day? No, man, I'm gonna get a Tesla, okay? I'm gonna get a Tesla, and that's all I'm gonna get. Whatever gets me around town. Wigs, yo, get started real quick.
This ain't what you want.
Project
This
X.
ain't what you
X,
want.
X.
This ain't what you want. Ha! 1600 block.
Yo, get started for us. We seen you breakdance. Yo, where's that video of you breakdancing? I'm gonna find it. Mute yourself.
What's the deal, chat?
What is the deal?
I have no idea what he's talking about. What dancing? I don't know what he's saying.
Chat, you guys have the video?
Weeks don't dance.
Where did he send that, chat? I know he sent it somewhere last year. When did we drop Chow Bella hoodies? I mean, man, that was a terrible drop, chat. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to everyone who bought hoodies back then.
Yeah, that was a terrible drop.
Yo, you're the last one wearing it.
Yeah, I still have it hanging.
Oh, the session. I heard it was all watching guy paint dry.
It was good. It was good.
Yeah, how come you don't play music no more? Your stuff keeps getting blocked.
Yeah, YouTube. Every time I play some music, YouTube fucking decides.
You know what you gotta play, man?
Send an army after
You know what's safe? Drake, but only. I know 2 albums that are 100% safe, and you will never get blocked. T.O.B. and his new album.
No, the new album will get blocked.
No.
Yeah. Here's the thing. I think if you let the music play without speaking for a while, I think that's how they catch it. Like if I gotta get up and go take my kids somewhere, and I leave the music playing, they'll get me. Man, I remember that day too. I fucking hurt myself.
Oh, where's the video? Can you guys find it in the Discord? It's in the Discord somewhere. Just find it. It's like last year, and then tag us in it. We gotta put some music over that one, and it'll be fire.
Yo, yesterday was pretty fire. We had massive breakdowns.
Massive breakdowns, massive wins,
Yeah.
massive everything.
It was.
Yeah, it's breakdown 11.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun. We held hands during a range.
How many views
Here's
you
the
guys
thing.
have?
I feel like if I don't show, I need to show up and walk people, even if it looks rangy. I gotta walk people through not taking a trade. Right? If we closed below range yesterday, it was range 1, and we closed with no bottom wick, and there were people looking to take entries, and we kept them out of it. So I think we saved people some positions. So there was still value provided on stream, and even if we didn't take positions, we definitely saved a few positions. Oh, and it was thunderstorm and pouring rain, and I left my cat outside. We had an angry kitty on stream.
A wet kitty again?
He was not just soaking; he was angry.
Yeah,
like, the chat heard him.
You had a super soaked kitty on stream again?
Yeah, he was like a shaggy dog. He walked in, he was like, "Blah, blah, blah, blah."
Hey, show us your kitty.
You know what? After I let him in yesterday, this morning already, he was outside, soaked again. Like literally, right as I walked up to open the stream, he was standing outside, soaked, looking at me on the other side of the door, like.
Idiot.
You gonna open it? You gonna open the door or what? It's a glass door. I'm looking at him like, oh, he's like.
Man, it's traumatized, bro. You gotta fix your cat up. What a dumb kitty, bro.
I got a broken cat. They sold me a broken cat.
Yo, that's the way the cat was looking at you. Look what Kay just said. It was like.
That's exactly what he was looking. I was looking at me. Cat's an idiot. Like he's cute and shit, but he's an idiot.
How much was that cat? Or you got for free?
I saved him from a shelter.
Oh. Yo, WX in the chat. WX in the chat. Wait, so what happened? What was wrong with the cat earlier?
What was wrong with him? He was fucking pissed.
No, like what was wrong with him when you saved him from the shelter?
Oh no, there's nothing wrong with him. There's just an abundance of cats. But like he was the only, you know how I picked him out? There was like a bunch of kitties that were jumping up and down, up and down. I'm like, shit, if I bring any of those home, they're gonna tear my house up.
Smart man.
So I looked at the calmest, quietest kitty, and there was this cat in the corner whimpering, literally shaking. So I grabbed him. I was like, yo, let's play around. And he didn't want to move. I was like, perfect. This is great. This cat's just gonna lay around, not do shit. I brought him home. He went into some little hole in the bathroom between the tiles. We couldn't find him for 3 days.
You're scared as shit.
Yeah, and then he finally came out, and then like a week later, he's like hanging on the curtains, jumping like complete fucking terrorist. Went to fucking training, I'm sure, because he's been destroying everything ever since.
He was just linking with our cats in the low holder.
I'm telling you, I think the other cats in the neighborhood had an influence on him, and now he thinks he's an American cat with rights. He thinks he has rights. Talks mad shit.
Cats are mad funny, man.
Fuck you, kitty. You're about to go fucking puke in my sneakers. I know you. Cat poops are very stinky. Here's the thing. I treat my cat like a dog, right? Like I don't walk him, but I tell him, yo, you ate? Now go the fuck outside. I don't keep a little, bathroom thing for
Expose
him.
him.
Oh no. Oh no.
Where is
Where
it?
did you find that picture? I think that was the first day the hoodie came in.
Yo, which one looked different a year ago?
That's because I shaved. I got I take off like 20 years. You feel it? 20 years comes off once I shave.
Only real ones know. Only real ones know who this was. Yo.
Damn.
Only real ones know who this was.
Jimmy at.
Yeah, this is. Oh, Wix, I know what these gummies are. I know what you're eating this day now. You're eating those Haribo, Haribo.
Oh, the celery play. Yeah.
You're eating those Haribo gummies, the one that's split in half.
Yeah.
The sour and sweet. Yeah, you love candy.
No, this was my kids' stuff, but I took their shit and I was eating it, and I was like, you know what? Let me teach you what the celery play is. And they're like, what? I'm like, give me more gummies. Damn it, I need more gummies. Then I started teaching them the celery play.
And that's how these kids became a millionaire.
That was my kid's first FOREX lesson. I was teaching them the celery play using gummies.
Buy gold zone 17. So yeah, someone in the chat saying buy gold, and yeah, someone in the chat saying sell gold. You guys gotta fight. You guys gotta go to war, man. You guys gotta prove to each other who's right. But guess what? Ain't gonna matter because the market's gonna show you who's right. Mm.
3.5 clouds out my window, and I can't see at all. Yo, what the fuck is that? That's not me, chat. Chat, that's not me. He's lying.
I just want to rock.
He's lying.
Yeah.
That's not me, chat. I don't even know how to dance. They put somebody's face on.
Oh no,
There's
wait.
another video. There were two videos.
Yeah. Where's the other video? It was longer. Where's the other video?
I was mad tired too. This was right after stream. They were talking mad shit. Wix can't dance. Wix can't dance.
Can't find. Hey, what's this in the background here? This looks like some.
Where? It's Fox News.
Of course.
Let's Let's Go Brandon on Fox News.
Hey, we gotta find a longer video. Yeah, I know about being Wixen on dance house for sure. 100%. Ain't gonna happen. And I'm not trying.
Damn. Learned a lot in those high school days.
Free courses chalked and nobody's starting in Wix. Hey, someone asked earlier, Wix, someone's like, hey Don, how can I live with you? I'm like, first of all, you gotta beat Wix in a dance battle. And then you gotta be part of the Yodi gang. yeah, figured it out. And then you gotta beat Marcos in FIFA. And you gotta beat me in the NHL.
Basically, you can never come live with Don.
Cause I know damn well you can't get past the first stage. You'll get higher than Wix. How do you take shower with the air? You what do you mean, bro? Water. No, show him the video.
You show him the video.
Oh man.
Why do you not wash your hair?
Gotta show him the video, man.
I want to see your salary play using gummies. Don just showed it. Don just showed the video.
Like,
be like, oh my God, I love your locks, but how do you wash them? With shampoo. And water. In the shower. I use conditioner too. Do you wash your hair? Is that why you're asking me? Be like, oh my God, I love your locks, but how do you wash them? With shampoo.
The music kills me, bro.
And water. In the shower. I use conditioner too. Do you wash your hair?
Water. Shampoo.
Why do you wash your hair too?
Did you ever use any indicators? Yes, I have. I've used a lot of indicators. I can name them right now. The RSI, EMAs, Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci this, Fibonacci that, trendline this, trendline that.
RSI,
the MACD, the volume.
MACDs.
Yeah, I've used a ton of indicators.
Now, if you don't, here's the thing: you can't be profitable unless you have all of that on one screen. You need to have all of the indicators on one screen to the point where you can't see the candles. And then it can speak to you. I mean, the explanation using gummies, maybe I will do it. Don just showed you, like I just showed you, there was a picture of me using the snakes as candles.
All right, chat, I think we're ready here. Ready to answer the
There we go.
We're ready. All right, so off of this analysis here, see this right here is crossing over the 20 2080x over the DXY, so that indicates that there's a strong volume right now in the US dollar, whereas the zero lag MACD enhanced 12/2016/9 shows you that we're below the current state of the market, and therefore we're on a current downtrend right now. We're heavily bearish right now with the zero lag MACD as well, but luckily for you, the Ash V 2.0 RSI 93 SMA 1 close 2-hour chart is above its current zone. This orange line is above these blue line, indicating that we're on a bullish daily trend. However, 24-hour volume shows that we are currently in the range here. Accumulation and distribution levels are below the current zones here. Markets are very at all-time low right now. ADL RDR shows you that we are currently in a position for, you can do all of that, or you can do oh wait, there's more chat. There's more indicators here. There's more. Yeah, I used to use this because it looked very cool. It looked very cool here.
It's the Ukrainian flag.
Yeah, the Ichimoku.
That's what's up. Yeah, this is the best indicator right here.
Yo, chat. So I think what should we do here?
I need 100%
win rate.
It's all gonna depend on how the 5-minute candle closes, sir.
It's so crazy, man. You know what's so crazy? Look at my zones here. Look at my zones. Where is this? Where is this right here?
But you gotta admit, it looks so much cooler when you do this, and people see this instead of
because they think
plain candle.
They'll think you're profitable. This guy knows what he's doing. This looks hard.
They look at this, they're like, holy shit! So like, when does the rocket lift off? How did you start working for NASA? Like what?
I'm trying, like, bro. All those indicators you're trying, like,
this gold, bitch.
You're working for NASA for real. Your account going up now? Yes, sir. Going up.
Going up from here
on a Tuesday. You guys remember that song? Yeah, 2 minutes. 2 minutes in the fourth quarter here. Waiting for this gold candle close. And I'm going out for the hour candle. I'm too high for this shit.
I can't find a single fucking lighter in my house. It's getting crazy.
Make fire, man. Back in the day, they didn't have no lighters, man. You got the easy way.
I'm about to get
Hack
these
it.
chopsticks right now, dog.
Yeah, wooden chopsticks. Aya. Aya.
Think I'm playing? We about to bonfire this table. I knew this candle would come in use. Oh, come on, candle.
Wow, we're not gonna close below here, man. Hey, that's why we didn't get in, because we would have gone to breakout lows, right? So luckily, like, we found that there was a support here, and we didn't. We told ourselves we're gonna wait for the 1 hour close. That wouldn't have been a good position, or that wouldn't have played out. So very key we caught that. Now it's just a matter of, I mean, this kind of sucks now because we're just gonna create a range here, literally, because there's no buys for us on GJ here until maybe for a range 2, right? So range 2s would be like above, I'll say above here for range 2s. Let me just, yeah, range 2s are gonna be like above here, 167, 356. So like this range, you can't do much in this range. You can't do much in this range since it's a range 1. You can take sells below here though, because those are valid. You can take sells below here, and you can take buys above here. So whatever happens from like 167, 356 to like 166, 860 is untouchable for me, at least. It's just not much I can do here, really. The 1 hour did close bearish here, but it closed very weak bearish. Still respecting the resistance though, but I want a closure below 166, 860 here. I really want to see this close below there. And then as for gold here, gold on the 1 hour is pretty bearish today. There's a high chance it can come down to retest the lows at 1705, 465. This is a matter of if we could get a top wick here, which looks like it may not happen because this thing is driving down with the 80 AM opening here with no top wick, just broke the lows. Let's see. So I'm really interested in these sells here. It's not too bad. This range going down was around 23 pips. Worst case, you take sells below 1705, right? That's fine as well.
Oh, this shit.
Oh, I found it. You're just now 100? Yeah, back in the good old days. Now I only trade GJ and gold as of right now. Next year we're adding use 30 again, but yo, wait, how come you didn't drive yesterday? Or did you?
Yesterday was Tuesday. It was a teacher something day.
Bring your kids.
Teachers were getting their shit together.
Bring your kid to school day?
It was
Oh no, not bringing
teacher preparedness day, something like that. So kids don't go, teachers do. And then today they canceled school for the next 2 days because of the hurricane.
So yo, what happens when they ask you on day? So do you guys have that in America? Take your kids to your work day?
Yeah. We do.
So you take them to the desk and just like, oh, this is the salary play here.
It's very hard for me to take my kids to work. Because when they do that, you actually like it's either school or like your work actually has to sign off.
Yeah,
You're taking them to work, and I'm like,
Too
like, do I go
complicated.
to the park with them or do I just send them to school? So typically, I just send them to school these days. Or like it depends. Like sometimes I'll leave them at home, and like we'll have a reason to do something. The thing is, if they stay home, they have to come back to school and explain what they did. And my kids are not gonna show up to school and be like, I went with my dad to work from 6 to 9 in the morning.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So what are they gonna do? I just told them to tell the teacher that dad works at Chippendales, and I am not allowed to bring kids to work.
Yeah, be thrown again. Oh yeah, the casino. Yo, wait, which one are you at again, TT? TT 76, not you, the regular TT, because the regular TT be rude as shit to us. The
regular TT is like,
the angel, the angel TT 76. You know, not the double TT.
No, the other TT's fine too. Consistent, definitely consistent.
The other TT is loyal.
Both TTs are loyal. I think they both show up. It's just one of them is like the devil's advocate to everything we do. They're always like, well, what about this? Not good enough for me. I think I'll stay out. So, you have the TT that sits on the right shoulder and the TT that sits on the left shoulder. One wears a robe and one wears a suit with tights.
Breathe.
DT 76 is the one with kids. I know her. I know she works in a casino and she has kids our age.
Horseshoe? Where's Horseshoe? How come you don't trade US 30 or NAS 100? I stopped trading US 30 in 2019 because in 2019 one of the brokers that I traded with didn't offer US 30, so therefore I didn't touch it for a year. And then COVID hit and it got very volatile, so I took a break from that, didn't touch it, and then when things started popping off again, which started popping off again this year, I'm looking to add to my list next year. So we spent the whole year this year back to not back to but emphasizing it. So that next year we can add to our list again. But yeah, that's why I don't trade US 30. But now on chat, every time we get a question that gets answered every day, I'm gonna answer it like that.
One deadass. Oh, I deadass found you on Insta like 5 days ago. Fire stuck around. You know what you should do? You should discover the Wix 9 Asian session.
Yeah. If you like what I do and you want a good Asian session as well, you know, someone who is a very good educator is Wix 9 here. He streams Asian session every day at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. Oh, wait, no, not 6:30 a.m. Eastern. What am I saying? 8 p.m. Eastern. 8 p.m. Eastern. Yeah.
Wix like the stream. All right, I will. I forgot. You're right. I always forget.
Daniel N. Actually, when I first started trading, I only did demo to like kind of figure out like how to use the buttons and layouts. But like once I figured it out, I'm like, yo, I'm ready to go. Or I thought I was ready to go. You know, then I just went live, because like one thing about the demo accounts is you can't really learn from them, because there's like you can be profitable on them. Don't get me wrong, but it doesn't really reflect to your real account because there's no emotions attached to it.
Exactly.
Right?
You're not gonna experience real life emotions. You're gonna be like, oh shit, I can blow this.
Yeah, like you're not like, even when it comes to simple things like waiting for a closure, like you're gonna be less emotional because like you don't have the urge to take a trade. Therefore, you waiting for a closure is easier. Whereas on a live account, you may be like hesitant, like, is this the right closure? I don't know now. I'm on a live account. This actually matters, right? So I would suggest you practice on a live account with a smaller balance, because that's the best way to learn in the industry, to be honest, man. Right?
Hey, East Cash, wagwan my youth. Why I say?
Hey, chat, leave a like on the stream. You guys are enjoying the streams today, man. We have 700 people watching here, 746 watching with 176 likes, chat. We can get 300 likes here, chat. If we can get 300 likes, Yo, Wixan, who won the
Damn.
Powerball yesterday? Did you win?
No, I don't care who won. I know I didn't win.
Well, if you didn't choose numbers 10, 33, 41, 47, 56, you lost.
Yeah, I lost. You know why I lost? Because I followed you. I took your signal.
Well,
Took your signal for the numbers. You posted
wait,
the
yo,
numbers.
did you get partial profits when you get like a number or 3 numbers, or no? You
Yeah,
gotta
I think when you get like 3 numbers, you like make your money back or something. It's like a funded account. You get to retry.
Are you still holding GJ? When did I enter GJ? I didn't trade GJ. I haven't taken trade since yesterday. Where are you hearing things? Maybe you're watching the wrong stream right now, man. You gotta make sure you have the right stream on.
Over 700 people watching, word. And 200 likes. I fucking had 200 likes with 200 people watching yesterday. You guys better fucking drop the likes. Let's grow this fucking community. You see, somebody found us 5 days ago, and they only found us just because you guys drop likes and you stub. It's good for the algo. Somebody say algo?
Yeah, like leave a like for
Algo?
this. Leave a like for this.
What the fuck is that? Chat, they always be photoshopping my face onto things. This is definitely not me.
I just wanna rock. I just wanna
I can't see shit right there.
body out of ya. Shorty got that body out of ya.
We'd be tired as hell.
Hit it once, no time. Side up, fuck, you gon' kill my vibe. Stand on my money, don't.
But he said, does that hurt? Yeah, I'm in pain right now watching it.
That was funny. That was funny.
You know how that came about? We were on stream.
Does that
like
hurt
an
the
hour
fish?
before that video, and Reza was like, "So, X, do you breakdance?" I was like, "What?" Like, out of
Yeah, how, of all things, you breakdance. Like,
yeah, like out of all things, he was just like I don't know the kid from anywhere, you know. He's like, "Yo, you breakdance?" He's like, "What? How did you know that?" Did you see me perform at a train station?
did you see me with the hat on the floor collecting money for a train station?
Yo, what's up, fucking Cam? What's going on?
GJ popping off.
I want to focus.
I'm very hungry right now. I'm gonna get Rice Krispies, man. I took the Poland. Took the walk. Poland.
Yeah, if you didn't like the stream before that, like the stream now.
You caught GJK? I feel like K caught GJ. I think this is the position K will take. K will take a position here. I've been studying her analysis. She'll take a position somewhere around here. I see you. I see you, K. I see you. I know when people take positions. I know when I know the thing about streaming chat is like the more people send charts, the more you can't know like how their strategy is, like, you know. Just the way you guys study me. I study you guys the exact same way. I know those things. I know those positions that people take, right? Like, MM by now would have had like 20 positions here, you know. You ever had a 6-figure day? No, sir. I can't afford 6 figures.
They see you trolling.
I've had 5 figures a day, but 6 figures, never had a 6-figure day yet. But I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait until I hit 100K on Instagram and get a 6-figure day, because that's what the boy Q Banks did. I remember.
Yeah, we're also not gonna do it on stream. It's gonna be like an off-stream type of runner.
Yeah, something like an off-stream, you know. Just like it's just gonna be up there on the day, coincidentally, you know.
You know, one day we're just gonna show you the results. We're not even gonna trade it. We're just gonna show you a result from a 6-figure trade.
Yeah. Hopefully that brings more value than the actual trades on stream, you know.
Yeah. 40K day. I remember that day.
No, like 60. I never had 60K day though, for real. But I'll never forget the day when Q Banks hit 100K on Instagram and he had a 6-figure day as well. That's something that motivates. But
That's such a coinky dink.
But yeah, 6-figure day. It's I don't have a lot size to pop a 6-figure day yet. I just don't. It's like my runners would like max would be like 200 pips, 150 pips, right? For runners, if you pop 20 lot, 100 lots, that's like 40K.
What up, Phoenix?
Or no, 20K. So I don't have the lot sizes to pop. I mean, I could pop 100 lot, but am I there yet? No, I'm at a state right now where I've been popping like 10s and 20s, right? Max. That's my cutoff for the year.
Your single biggest position was 40K though, right?
Yeah, it's like 30, yeah, 35, 40K. I remember that day. Yeah. But that was last June, and FOMC in June. I remember that day.
Yeah, my single biggest position, like on a single trade, was 17K.
I remember that day. Yeah, by the way, if you guys go on my Instagram, you guys go on these folders here. It shows like the months for the past, like, I think there's like 10 months of data here, everyday data. On traders domain. Yeah, no, I think we had a. I think it was June or April. I forgot, but I think it was April actually. April. It was April last year.
It was March of last year. You hit 40K.
Yeah.
And then in April we had a better month. You had a nice trade, but in April we ended up having a better month than March. So you made more than you did in March, even though in March you had a 40K day. I think that's how it was.
Also, like, there's no like pressure for me to hit 100K a day or 100K a month. Like, I have no goals, targets at any month when I trade. Like, I don't have a target or goal. Like, that's not even in my mind. Like I'll never say like, oh, I need to hit 100K. I need to hit this much this month. I need to hit this much. Like, it's not even. Like, I don't even come across that. It's just that shouldn't be what trading is, right? Like, over time, I'm gonna get there. Like, I'm gonna get to that point. Like, I'm not worried, but it's just a matter of when and how, right? I'm just making my way up there gradually. But eventually one day, yeah, I will get that. Just like one day when I was reminiscing the 10K days, right? Same thing. I'm gonna get there. It's just a matter of patience. And can we get a closure here? Because oh, no bottom wick. Okay, you have 40 minutes left for a third closure. Yeah, like, be patient, man. You get to where you want to be, but don't put pressure behind those targets, man. They're irrelevant to your trading. Trust me.
Wix, what was the lot size? There was 210 lots.
What was the most you made in a trade, Wix? In one single trade.
17K.
Yeah, 17K. But those days though are breakthrough days. They are breakthrough days. Don't get me wrong. But
they're supercharged days, right?
Yeah, supercharged. Like, what was your percentage on that trade? Like 10, 15, 10?
At that moment, no. 17K. At that moment, I was like a good 12, 13, yeah, 12, 50%, something like that.
Like, those are breakthrough days. Those are supercharged days. But it doesn't mean that those days will come every day. You can't chase those days every day because it's not gonna happen.
Right? I remember talking to Don and I was like, yo, I haven't had runners for like 6 months. Like, what the fuck? And I'm in like. Over time, you just forget about the fact of you want runners, you need runners. It's just, you know, as long as you win your position, over time, runners will just hand themselves to you once in a while, and then that's what's gonna supercharge your account extra quickly. But that doesn't mean the grind's over, right? You still have to come in here over and over and keep grinding and get your little bits and pieces. Once in a while, you'll have those supercharged.
Like, this is the Yankee Stadium, right? And this is where, like, you go at bat. Some days, you might get some nice, singles. Hit it over here. Some days, this is your 10 pips. Hit it over here. Some days, you might hit it over here. Some days, you might get some RBIs. Hit it over here. 20, 30 pips, 40 pips, 50 pips, right?
I mean, doubles.
Some days.
When somebody scores. All right, never mind.
Oh, yeah, doubles. Yeah, doubles. Some days, you might get, whatever. Some days, you might get home runs. Some days, or strikeouts. Yeah, strikeouts might happen, but some days you might get home runs. But you keep cracking at it. Eventually, you get those home runs. But you don't want to. Actually, this is a bad example. I think a better example.
You don't want to swing for the home run on every at bat.
Yes.
Like,
yes.
Everything is situational.
Yes. It's like a rock, right? You keep cracking at the rock, eventually the rock will open up, and then eventually the rock will come on your stream. That's what happened to us.
That looks like an egg.
Bro.
There better be a chicken coming out of there. Fuck the rock. At the moment, it's boneless chicken, chat. An egg.
Boneless chicken. You ever have boneless watermelon? Boneless watermelon is different.
Yeah. I had seedless watermelon. I don't know about boneless watermelon.
The watermelon.
Got this watermelon. I got these cheeseburgers, man.
Guys, wait for this count to close up here, right? In 11 minutes here. This looks very similar to our position yesterday on GJ. Same ranges too. Got these watermelons. What came first, egg or the rock? The rock. Rocks so that chickens can make babies on, right? Chicken makes kids on rocks. And then the egg comes after. Rocks equals land.
Yeah, we have comics right now.
In 55 seconds,
Comics.
yes, sir.
Comics. We are the comics.
The climax? We're gonna start calling it climax from now on, chat. We got climax here in 820.
How did you meet Wix? Chad, we already went over that. He subscribed to my OnlyFans. and then jumped to my DMs. And I joined them.
Ain't gonna hold you. I don't know how true that story is. Ever been to a Blue Jays game? Yeah, but I'm not really a fan of, like, I'm not a big fan of baseball. MLB.
Probably all Americans at a Blue Jays game.
Shout out to the Astros though for winning the World Series. Yo, what is them? Actually, we have 4 seconds left. We gotta lock it in here. Okay, our comics open here. The 50 had no bottom wake here, so I'm not. I really have no analysis for this comics open. But next year, by the way, we are trading comics open, chat. Next year starting like maybe January, February, we'll start trading comics 820. Or we'll start to anticipate more positions during comics open, right? We've been looking at that for the past like 8 months here, so I think I'm pretty comfortable taking comics positions. It's just you're not always gonna get them. That's the thing. That's something that I learned, and it varies during certain quarters. Like quarter 3 was very effective. Quarter 2 is very effective. Quarter 4 so far has been a little dead for comics.
I ain't gonna lie.
I'm gonna lie.
Joey said, ain't gonna lie. It's been a little dead.
Yo, chat, I have a confirmation. The website should be done for the first week of December. All right. It should be done the first week of December. Second week. So second week of December, which is in a month, you guys are gonna have access to the new baby pips. Control FX. But just Control FX, obviously, right? Just our strategy from start to finish for free. No charge. I might give it a name too. Someone stole my date on Christmas, but we're gonna have to. That's why I'm dropping it before Christmas now, right? But yeah. Yeah, chat. I'm excited. Excited to give you guys that. It's gonna be an early Christmas gift, right? So you guys could, over your Christmas break, when I don't stream for the 2 weeks in Christmas, you guys could simply just
learn.
Just fucking like eat that shit up, right?
Yo, I missed it. What day you releasing it?
I think second week of December. I think I'm gonna release it for a hop off for 2, because we were hopping off for 2 weeks in December, right? I think this year
December like 15, 16.
For 3 weeks. I think December 15, 16. I'll probably drop it within like. Actually, I might take 3 weeks off there, honestly. Oh no.
I'm gonna be on until the 16th.
Or no, we'll be on to the 15, 16, and then we'll hop off until like the second week of January 9th or something. We'll come back just like last year. Last year we came back January 10th.
Yeah, I'm gonna have my last Asian stream on the 15th.
Yeah, I'm excited, bro. Christmas is next year, and it's not even snowing here yet. In Canada.
I'm flying, yo. The guy thinks you're copying him by making a book. We announced it first.
Yeah, no, I don't know what you're saying, but we announced that shit. We announced that shit in like fucking July.
Announced it like months.
No, like we
before.
announced it for a long time, but we officially announced it on Twitter in like September 30th. You can check the receipts.
Funny, somebody goes and copies us, and then says we copy it, and then they charge for our shit.
By the way, I can care less, right? It's like
you open a website. Oh, we open a website.
I mean, all that matters really is you guys getting value from people. That's all that matters really, right? It shouldn't be about like, you know, the big picture here.
Stream every day. The hustle is not right. The grind is not versus me or Don or any other mentor. The grind is against poverty. Your hustle here is against poverty, not against another trader. You guys should all be working to get rich or not to be broke. You guys shouldn't be working here to be better than another trader.
Yes. What's your Christmas wish? This Christmas, all I want to do is make the NHL. Give me a 1-day contract. You versus the market. 300 likes? How many likes do we have? 250? Hey, 230. Let's see. We're almost there, chat. Almost there, guys. 6 minutes left for a 1 hour closure, 30-minute closure. I'm gonna get some water real quick. Hold down.
Ah, shit. Liquidity grab incoming. I'm gonna grab some liquidity too. Some of this diet iced tea. I mean, I'll need this diet iced tea. Water. Bring some water, get some sun. You have a sun one in there? We got all the elements. What about grass? We have grass? Yeah, it's gonna be like, go outside, smoke some grass. It ain't gonna be, yeah, herb. He needs some milk. Oh yeah, this is looking sweeter than a Twinkie filling. We're about to get these cells. Need a closure. You guys know in Canada they say a bag of milk.
Hey, y'all messing with my Birkin chat? New Birkin, you know the vibes. Sheesh. This bag cost 300K, chat. You know the vibes. New Birkin. Caught me a Birkin. Man, I spent much in a bag.
Oh shit. Damn it.
Cat ran away?
What?
The cat ran away?
No, he went outside. He's an idiot. I told you, like, I left the door open to my office for a second. I just seen him run outside. Fucking stupid. I'm gonna ask Kitty. There's something wrong with it. He's broken. I got a broken cat, y'all.
Yeah, your cat's an NPC, bro.
They sold me like a refurbished cat or something.
No wonder it wasn't moving. Refurbished. Refurbished by Geek Squad at Best Buy. Y'all love is it just me or you like going to Best Buy? I love going to Best Buy. That's like like spots to chill at. Costco and Best Buy and Walmart. I love going to those spots and just chilling.
You're crazy. I'll go to Walmart just to like people watch. I take extra long in Walmart because my kids like all the toys in there, so I let them have their fun. But I don't know about Best Buy, dog.
I'm
Go see
I like
overpriced electronics when I can just get them online.
you didn't get it. You didn't get it. You are my plump surgery load dumpling Donnie. First someone wanted to sleep with me, or someone wanted to live with me, and now someone's calling me their little dumpling. Chat, I know we've been on a winning streak, you know, but showing a little too much love now, you know, showing a little too much love now. Chat, 2023, we're changing our names to Lord of the Candles. That is such an egotistical name, bro. Imagine calling yourself a trader, Lord of the Candles. Yo, Lord of the Rings, Lord of the Candles.
My precious.
You would gain so much attraction in the industry. Oh, this guy, do you guys know Lord of the Candles? Crazy. All right, 4 or 5 seconds, chat. What's gonna happen here? Looks like gold's not gonna close below, so we can say goodbye to those cells. GJ though, closing again. The 1 hour candle's flipping bearish after making a high here. Wow, this seller play isn't too bad, Wicks. On GJ, no? It just stops. You need a current candle stop because this stop is a little too wide.
Yeah, you need another closure.
Well, 30 closure here. If you look at it, the 1 hour candle all day is from respecting this resistance here, right? You never close above here, never close above here. Just kind of came up and then rejected. So we're closing. If we're rejecting here, and then 30 closes the way it is, you break the lows here, you should drop down. It's just a matter of if you can get a nice stop loss.
Might get a current candle.
Yeah, you need a current candle. That's the thing. You need a decent one too. This range going down is only like, oh, it's only like 10 pips. Or you can leave runners towards here. 35 pip range. Yeah, you need to see like 17, 167, 1 and 8 or something.
I'm gonna wait for the 4 hour closure.
Yeah, and gold's chalk too here until who knows when. Tomorrow, today.
10.
Tomorrow is CPI though. I wouldn't be surprised if we range till tomorrow.
No, it's gonna fill some ranges. I think for news, it's gonna correct everything. Or there's still some range to move today. Like, look, these wicks happened, so they cleared out a bunch of orders. Cleared out a bunch of range.
Maybe like 9:30, 10.
That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, like around 10 o'clock. Wicks, do you recommend protein powder to bulk, or is food just fine? I recommend protein powder to grow muscle.
But you don't have to get protein powder, right?
You don't have to. You know, people in jail spend years working out every day and they don't get no protein powder. They just eat. They eat and work out, right? And they still get big. They're just consistent because they ain't got other shit to do. So I'm gonna tell you, you don't need nothing except, you know, high quality food or like nutrient rich food. You want food that's saturated with nutrients. If you eat nutrient rich food, you should be fine. You don't need anything else.
Nutrient rich food? Fried chicken, French fries.
The thing is, if you want to really get big, and eat all that nutrient-rich food, you're gonna have to spend money. It costs money to eat good food, and eat a lot of it every day. So
you can just eat like rice and beans every day.
You can eat rice and chicken every day, but you want to get like quality chicken. You want a lot of rice. You want to get nice salad. You want to eggs in the morning. Just nothing can beat eggs because the protein absorption from eggs is incredible. Like you get the most protein absorption from eggs, like 90% of that. And you want red meat. You want like organ meat. They're all nutrient rich. They're protein rich. You take creatine? No, not right now, but I'm gonna start again. The benefits outweigh whatever in any study you do on look at on creatine. If you take creatine correctly, it's very beneficial if you want to get bigger. I'll take protein powder. Yeah, I have protein powder every day. Matter of fact, about to have some protein on stream.
Are you sure it's
Say I won't.
protein?
Say I won't do the shit right now. Say we ain't dry scooping some protein right now.
What's the about dry scoop crack right now?
We're gonna have some ISO right now.
Alright, you dry scoop that. I'm gonna dry scoop market fuel. Pre-market fuel.
Oh shit. Spilling here, chat. Sounds like
Yeah, dry scoop it. Just put it in your mouth.
Sound double scoopy it right now.
Go like this, Wix.
Double scoopy, bitch. Nah, I'm not dry scooping this shit on stream. One wrong breath, and y'all gonna be calling 911. Ain't gonna be 700 911 phone calls right now. Trying to save Wix.
Gotta save the Wix wisdom.
Shot.
What's your favorite flavor?
What?
I feel like you don't care for flavor. You just drink whatever.
Yeah,
Right.
but like honestly, lately I'm a little bit off. I started just going with like I'm not a big chocolate fan, but I started going with chocolate because I realized that every brand, that's the safe play. Chocolate is what they really work on.
Oh yeah, I've had chocolate. That's all I've had. I know some that dry scoop instant coffee. It sounds like Marcos. That's Marcos' new wave right now. Dry scooping coffee.
Shot. Everybody.
You looking at trades today? No, I have no trades today. I have nothing going on right now. We're waiting for the 9 a.m. closure here. At this point, right? The next third closure. So yeah, we're just kind of vibing on here. We got 25 minutes of just chilling. We can't do much. That's part of trading though, chat. You know, like what we did today was we just woke up, mark up our ranges, and we knew what we were looking for. We just need those things to play out, and it didn't play out yet. So there's not much we can do till then, right? Aside from just chilling here. So I gotta wait. Gotta be patient. That's part of trading. Not every day you can get a trade at 8:30. Some days it might be later. Some days you might not get trades at all. But you gotta stay true to your plan and not get emotional. That's all that is. As long as you follow your plan, no matter if you could trade if you or not, or no trades, you won. Right? You won because you follow your plan. That's all that matters. When I see other people taking trades, I feel like I'm not seeing something, so sometimes I force trades that, and you should be doing the opposite. Right? Listen, man. Listen. Stick to your strategy, your plan. Forget me. I'm just not a person. Who cares about me? I built my strategy by trusting myself and myself only, right? Like that's why when people send charts, I don't listen to people's charts because I know what I'm looking for, right? And if I happen to take a loss, then it's just part of the journey. You gotta learn from a loss, right?
Yeah, but then who are we gonna blame?
You shouldn't be taking someone else's analysis. Like you may like, you know, like learning from them, yeah, but when it comes to taking trades, like you gotta make sure that trade resonates with you in a way, right? You gotta make sure that plan that you had matches your strategy. Otherwise you'd be running in circles all day, man. You stream hop with this guy takes this guy takes this. You're gonna be running in circles, man. You're gonna be a mess, right?
Chasing shadows.
Yeah, chasing shadows. When you're chasing something, you're never gonna beat them because you're always gonna be behind. You gotta be ahead. Yeah, start the wave, right? Yeah, man. Trust yourself, man. Just trust yourself. It's good to come here and to educate. Like you shouldn't be coming here to copy trades, even though you know pretty accurate. But you shouldn't be that's not the main reason. You know, the main reason should be to educate. Either it's just seeing us way here, you know, me Wix is chilling right now. Like right now, Wix not even thinking about the position. He knows to wait for the 4-hour closure. Like once he said that, That's what he's locked into. Like, that's what he's gonna wait for. He doesn't care what happens at 8:45, 8:30, 39, 8:50. He's gonna wait for that 4-hour close, and then make a decision at 9 a.m. Is he gonna stay? Is he gonna wait? Is he gonna get a position? If not, then he's gonna hop off, call it a day. Come on during Asian session, rinse and repeat, right? But like, there's not like our minds right now.
We're waiting
are
for
not,
more info, right?
Some
we
of
need more info.
Some of you guys right now are thinking about, okay, when's the next time I can take a position? You should be thinking about other things until the candle closes here. Yeah. But yeah, we are 113.35. We only have 35 losses this year on stream, which is incredible. If you take a look, if you think about that, what's the average for a month? 35. We have 12 months in a year. We've been streaming for 11, so we've been averaging like what?
What happened, Chad? Nobody went to algebra?
3 times, yeah, like 3 losses a month. Around 3 losses a month. On stream. This is on stream. This isn't like off stream. This is on stream. Yeah, about 3 a month. That's not too bad, right? 49 break evens though, which technically break evens. Well, break even is debatable, but it's a break even. It was in profit at one point. When you talk about candle closures, what do you mean? What I mean by candle closures is that I need that candle to close. I'm waiting for this 4-hour closure here because in about 20 minutes here, this 4-hour closes here. You see this right here? 20 minutes. That's a countdown for the 4-hour close. So I need the 4-hour close, like Wixan said, to gain more information to make my next decision. Because the more candles that close, the more information you get, and the more you can take advantage of on multiple time frames.
Asian session analysis played out to the T though.
Oh yeah, 111 wins. That's like 10 wins a month on average too.
Yeah,
Asian session analysis? What was it?
Yeah, this is why we came on last night right here. Because of the look. See this? This was our Asian session right here. This closure, and people were like, "Oh, I got self stops here," or people were taking shorts, and I'm like, "No. The higher probability is us coming back above Ray." I even drew it out, and look what happened. 1A. I said it's not gonna happen now. People were like, "Why wouldn't it dry?" I was like, "I don't disagree that it's not gonna fill and correct this move down. I just don't think it's gonna happen now with this closure with no bottom wick here." And what happened? We closed right above range right here, and next candle just drove up. That was our Asian session analysis. So anyone that stayed on for after, and our levels were the same as they are right here, identical to the levels Don has drawn. Played out to the T. And now, technically, now that remember yesterday we said we're gonna probably correct this and retest the highs before we end up dropping down here. So we retested the highs here. Now if we get a closure below here on range 2, we drop down.
Exactly. Justice.
You have to understand where you are in the day, in the 4-hour, in the time frames, in the sessions. There's reasons we planned all that out yesterday in Asian session. We definitely saved people a few positions. There were people in cells that we were like, nah, and let that go.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Omar, not every closure indicates. You know what you gotta do? You have to come here at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. You can't come here at 8:40. You have to be here from 6:30 a.m. Eastern every single day for a minimum of 3 months. And then you have a better understanding for a strategy. You can't come here at 8:40 after another stream ends and be like, "Oh, Don, what does this mean? What does that mean?" No. You have to be here from the start, right? And you have to be consistent if you want to learn. I posted something the other day. People are saying, you know how people always complain about their situation? That's not true, man. Was it yesterday? I think it was yesterday, maybe. I said how I can load it up here. I said how if you really want to be profitable, if you really want to, I can't find it. My Twitter.
Fuck it, it doesn't matter. Fuck, I can't find it.
Yes. If you really have an obsession to figure it out, you will figure it out. I heard that from Colby. But if you really have an obsession to figure it out, you will figure it out. A lot of people like to make excuses. I'm this, I'm that. I don't got this, I don't got that. I grew with
you
this,
had this
I
with the
agree with
story.
that. Like, bro, you if you really have an obsession to figure out, you will figure it out. When I wanted to become a trader, like I told myself, I'm gonna become a trader, right? And it's just, I just had to figure it out. It just takes time to try things out, right? And that's why I hate when people ask like, yo, but how do I sample size? How do I backtest it? Bro, if you really want it, you would figure it out, man. You wouldn't ask me that question because that's you. That's not, I don't know. I don't know what you need to work on, man, but you will figure it out on your own. You're gonna start seeing my name every day at 6:30. Okay, 01 Stormy. We're gonna keep you accountable. Does that mean though? I know right now we're flowing, right? You haven't lost for the month, but like once you start losing, are you still gonna be here though? That will show the true colors. Yes, if you can stay past the losses, that happens. You know, on average 3 a month. You're a real one. Every day 6 a.m. in Mexico. What time is it in Mexico right now? Same time, right? Same shit.
Depends where in Mexico. No, definitely not the same time.
Oh no, yeah, you have the yeah.
They got this weird shit called time zones, and as you go back in them, the time goes back. It's fucking strange.
What do you mean? We have time zone here. Wasn't the moon supposed to be orange yesterday? Was it yesterday? I remember the other day I had to explain to someone what time zone was. If you really wanted to figure it out, you would figure it out by typing on Google. Right? So that's Comex. If you really want to figure it out, you will find a way to figure it out.
These guys sitting front row, man, poof, who needs that? Let me put my window down. I need fresh air. We don't want that. We want bars. The reason why we listen to 21 and the boy. That's what we do in Paris.
The boy.
We don't do Fashion Week. Fashion Week it's
Yo, it stopped raining for like 10 minutes. I'm leaving the door open in case this cat wants to stop being dumb.
Yeah, what if one day the cat opens, you leave the door open, he comes in and he starts scrapping another cat in your crib?
One day he came back, I told you, and he had like a chunk of his stomach missing.
Oh my god.
And I think, yeah, it's either the neighbor's dog, but I think if that dog got him, he'd be missing like half a body. My cat would be in a little wheelchair program right now for cats. Just rolling around. But
it
wasn't the dog. I think it was the lizard. It was like a big lizard that got him. My cat's name?
Yeah, what is your cat's name?
You guys are Americans. You won't be able to say it. It's Morzik.
What does that mean? Music?
Right there. That's his name. I just typed it. Merzik. Merzik.
What does that mean?
So that's the sound. That's basically the sound they make, but that's in Ukrainian and in Russian.
Ah.
Like, you know when they purr? So.
Hey, lifts.
Don't fucking ask me, Chad. My girl named him. I don't know. The reason I got a cat is because she wanted.
You probably would have named that regular name, like Bob or something.
What was that?
You probably would have named like a regular name, like Bob, like a first name, like a regular.
My cat?
Yeah, like a first,
No,
a general,
you're
for, like
crazy.
Christian or something.
No,
Name your
no.
dog, your cat,
No.
like Christian. Yo, Christian, come here.
Call me Christian again, bitch. See what happens. Say I don't puke in your shoes. Say it.
Hey, Lips, that's
Call me
true.
Christian and then fives are going out the window.
Dean Lips. Nah, Ed Lips, I see Ed Lips got that good mental, man. He's like, I work 10 plus hours a day. Yeah, 10 plus hours a day of hard work. Wake up at 6 a.m. for a morning session, and I make the agent every day. He wakes up for 2 sessions in a day. If you want it, you'll do whatever it takes. Think about it, though. You have 24 hours in a day, right? You have 8 hours aside from sleeping, let's say. So you have about 16 hours left. Another 8 hours of work. What are you gonna do with another 8 hours? That's a lot of work too. See? What did Drake just say? You have a lot of time in a day, man.
Looks 9 is your cat. Enrique Pino. Why you gotta bring race into this? Leave the cat alone. He's Jewish. My cat's Jewish.
Man. But his 60K chat. Sheesh.
Lil Puss. Yeah, Martin, just like that, Lil Puss. Might dress him up, throw a little bandana on him. Throw some black uptowns on my cat. Take him to the gym. You ever seen those pit bulls that look like they've been hitting the gym for a year straight? I'd get a cat like that.
I'm out for the round. Thanks for stream, boys. Yo, see you later, Daniel N. Appreciate you for being here today.
Depending on how the
always.
Wordle goes, we might still be here after your run.
I don't know about that one, so yeah, maybe we'll see what happens. My mic's been low today. Sorry, I didn't know that.
Very
chat
low. Very low.
Yeah, they didn't
Some
tell
people
me.
are like, yo, you're muted.
My bad. I got no clue. Now you are crisped on. Thank you. I show people what I do for a living, and as I have to crawl through and like, what the fuck? How do you wake up at 6 a.m.? Yeah, people always ask me, how do I wake up at 6 a.m.? Man, I don't even think, like Wixline says, you don't even think about it. You just wake up, you just do it. I don't know. I just wake up at 6:30 on my stream. That's all I know is I got to stream at 6:30, so I wake up.
It's you. It's part of you. That's part of your, homeostasis. Your natural being, your natural state at this moment. That's just something that you do. It's something that defines you.
I mean, anyone can do it. You just gotta start. You just gotta start. Because you wake up the first day might be a little hard. The first week, it gets a little better. By the third week, that's it. You need 3 weeks. 3 weeks of waking up at 6:30 a.m. each and every day, and you just do it every day.
Yeah, they say technically 21 days to make something a habit. Now, if you wake up, right, the mind gives out before the body does. The mind will always give up before your body does. So as long as in your head you know that this is something you do and you're doing it and you've already convinced yourself, when you yourself don't need any more convincing, your body's just gonna follow along, regardless of how it feels, right? if your mind is convinced already that this is something that you're doing, your body will follow. You got to have the outlook of purpose and, you know, of actually jumping on here, and that this is what makes you complete. This is what makes you you.
You'd be a natural. Like, I've been doing it for 3 years now at this point. I used to wake up a little later, like maybe 10 a.m., 12. But ever since I started waking up at 6:30, I got more time my day now, right? To do what I gotta do. And also, like, if I get tired some days, like I stay up late some days, okay, cool. Wake up in the morning, do my stream, take a nap after. That's fine. I got the whole day to do whatever I gotta do, right? My job is done here. My job is finished. I'm done trading. You know, get a nap or something, and get active in the evening, and go to sleep, and same thing tomorrow, right? Like, just your routine's never wrong. Don't tell you that your routine's wrong, chat. You know, like no one should tell you like to wake up at a certain time or do certain things in a day. Like, you can do whatever you want in a day. It's your life. Do whatever you're comfortable with. Would you ever consider lunch session? No, I gotta sleep. Some days I'll be up for lunch session, but I can tell you that I'm not consistently gonna show up for London every day. It's just I gotta sleep some days. Maybe if I was on the West Coast, yeah, but East Coast, it's like 3 a.m. here, man.
Yo, Eddie, I feel you. Me too. My alarm doesn't even wake me up anymore. I literally wake up a good half hour before my alarm now and grab my phone, and I'm like, you gonna ring, bitch, or what?
Ooh.
I beat you to it. I beat you to it. Oh, we breaking lows. We breaking lows.
Yeah, but it happened too late. Like, even if it came out to create a topic where it wanted, but even if it came down, like it was 4 to 5 anyways, right?
Stop, Matt.
It was 4 to 5.
9:30.
Yeah,
we
I got away for
off
9.
at this time yesterday.
Perfect, right before the storm. Everyone's like, "Oh shit, gold's flying." I didn't even want to read the Discord. I knew everyone was like, "Oh my god, gold's flying!"
Yeah.
Like, "Oh, look at these buys just caught here. Just made up my losses in the morning." Blah blah. And then today in this range, they try making it back, and they just lost all their money. Nah, but yeah, chat. 4 minutes for 9 a.m. here. Where gets the pips? Yes, sir. I wake up at 3 a.m. catch London session. Take a 3-hour power nap from around 12 p.m. to 3. Go to the gym, come home, do whatever plan to have that day, and sleep. Yeah. You have a lot of time in a day, man. Think about it, bro. You have 24 hours in a day, man.
And it's still not enough.
Yeah, 24 hours in a day, and then you have fucking... Hey, let's say you put 8 hours aside from sleeping. Okay, so that 24 becomes a 16 now. Then you have 8 hours of work. Okay, cool. How about the other 8 hours? What are you gonna do for the 8 hours? If all that free time to work on your hobby, okay, maybe 1 hour to clean up, or clean yourself up, you know, take care of yourself. Another hour to another couple hours for video games, you know, another couple hours for another hobby. Like, you have 8 hours of free time. So when people say they ain't got time, bro, I just think they're making excuses, man.
You got time. It's just you don't have time for that. You've decided to use your time for other things. So you basically prioritize something else. So go do that.
Yeah.
We're all prioritizing this.
Luckily for us as traders, right? You don't have to work for 8 hours every day. You can work for an hour and a half, an hour less sometimes, like 2 hours, 3. And after that, you're done. Like, yeah, you have more time. And why is my chat lagging? Yeah, but you have more time as traders, and that's why people want to be traders, right? Because they're trying to make time for other things.
Your priorities are fucked up. They're not fucked up. It's just, hey, it's you. We're all different, right? Like, you do you. I prioritize this over family time, over kids time, over me time, over gym time. This is prioritized, and everyone else and everything else in my life at this few hours takes the back seat, regardless of what it is, unless it's got to be like life or death. right? And that's what defines me. And people have grown accustomed to this is what defines me, and not to interrupt me until 10 a.m., 10:30, 11. They know I won't give a fuck, and they'll be put second. So they'd rather not experience the being secondary to what I'm doing. So they avoid me until 10, 11 a.m. because they just know this is what I do, and it's taken time. Before, when I just started trading, like you go back 4 years, we were like, "Yo, let's go here, let's do this, let's do that," and early morning, take kids to school. Nah, kids will be late to school while I'm doing this. It's just now I'm a lot better. I can kind of multitask, and I know candles close. I know what to wait for, so I have my times where I could take them. But like when I just started, this is priority. Like straight up, like no, kids will miss half a day of school if I need to learn this shit. That will be secondary. I don't give a fuck. And you know what? People in my life and around me figured out how to do shit without me because they had no choice. Wix was gone at that moment because Wix is learning, and it created a lot of tension, and it creates people won't understand you, and creates a lot of extra not arguments, but it brings extra heat into your life, right? The unnecessary that people don't want to deal with. They usually try to like smooth those things out, and this was doing the opposite of smoothing things out. It was creating more rough patches in my life, but it took priority. This was prioritized over everything in my life. And regardless of who you were my mama, you were taking a backseat to this because I was going to learn this. This was my purpose. So, like, it sucked for people around me. I can feel it. I understood it. I know it sucked for them, but I also understood that I will regret for the rest of my life not prioritizing this. So that's how I approached it. Yeah. Do I hear my cat? I wish I could take you with me, chat, so we could all go look for him. Oh, no, Top Wick. What?
Yep. I was just gonna say. Now, chat, what does that mean? Because you guys are gonna ask me, what does that mean, Don? Well, it means that the probability of us driving up now went from like an 85 to like a 50-50, right? And I don't want to take 50% trades. We never take 50% trades. We don't take anything less than a 70-80, right? So this is a low probability trade. We're not going to be taking positions here, obviously. It's a 4-hour closure as well, so it will affect the next 4 hours until 1 p.m. Sorry. So therefore, gold is chalked. Could it still drive up? Yes, it can. It can definitely still drive up, but it's not my business. None of my business. I don't care what happens now. It's not. I can't do anything. GJ closed bullish today on 4H. Now, there's range going up here. Obviously, there's a 4-hour wick fill, but we wanted buys for range 2, and that was gonna be above 167, 356, right? So we gotta wait for closures above there. Now, this kind of here, yeah, will likely get filled. It's just a matter of what's gonna happen up here. Like, are we gonna how's price gonna react up here? Because we know it's a wick's gonna get filled, but it's just a matter of what happens above here. So we need closures above here for positions.
If we respect it, that's going to be an indication of volume slowing down. If we break above it, that's going to be an indication that there's volume, and it's going to be an indication of direction. We're going to know which way the volume is.
Yep.
And we're going to drive.
Because if it just comes up in ranges, I'll just start to do this for the rest of the session, right? Range until, and at the edge session might, trickle down or something and come back up tomorrow, or the opposite, vice versa, right? But we're in the same range we're at this morning, so there's not much we can do here, really. Yeah, chat, I think that might be it, man. No positions today on stream for me, or at all today, really. No trades during Asia, no trades during London, no trades during New York session. But yeah, this is my week so far, or my month so far. But yeah, that is November. And I think
200, you got to 299 likes, and people are taking them away.
Oh, that's crazy.
They don't want you getting.
That's crazy. Yeah, chat. Make sure to leave a like on the streams. You haven't joined the streams, chat. I'm gonna do a word.
Like, yeah, I'm dropping one right now. Yo.
I'm gonna do a Wordle chat, and then I'm gonna call it, man. All right. If you guys are staying by or you're still trading, good luck for the rest of your day. I appreciate you for coming by today. Love you guys as always. Thank you. But yeah, I'm gonna do a Wordle. Maybe we'll come back for a bit. We'll see. But Q4, I'm trying to just cut off at 9 a.m. right? 9 a.m. 9:30. So let's do this motherfucking Wordle. Oh, nice. 2 letters today, Wix. That's not an E.
Racks.
Why do you always guess racks? What Ricks?
No,
Oh,
rack.
Rack City.
Yeah, we won that one, man. Forget it. They'd be all over us. Range. No, no E.
Rail.
Rain.
Whoa. Peace out, Jeremy. Jeremy Ann. Have a nice day.
Rainy.
Not bad, not bad. I like the eyes. Oh, there goes.
She's a runner, she's a track star. She's a runner, she's a track star.
It's been a while. What else do we have here?
I'm just making up for yesterday because yesterday was terrible.
Oh yeah, we lost yesterday.
Stop the cap.
Ain't gonna happen.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy. To this day.
I guess we'll never know.
Undefeated, never lost.
Suey. I can see that bullshit from a mile away.
Wait.
Yeah, I haven't used the soundtrack in a while. All right, chat. Well, my guys, my ladies and gents.
Yeah, it's been a minute since we heard all those sound bites.
Yeah, I kind of got rusty. I'll use them again.
Forgot about him.
All right,
what's
chat.
Marco's doing with his Go XLR? I'm gonna make him an offer.
Definitely not streaming. You don't need that Go
Word,
XLR.
like-
Take that away from him.
Yo, if you speak to him, see if he wants to sell that. Marcos, you on here?
That's a good chat.
Yo,
He's like,
X9 needs a Christmas present. I've been a good boy.
you been a good boy?
I'm a real boy. Marcos, you on here? Where's that Go XLR? And tonight, Wix? Yes. Tonight is the night. You're gonna get some Wix. Yeah. Shameless Asian session plug. Be there or be square. Tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern, live here on YouTube. We will be running an Asian session stream as we do every day, Monday through Thursday.
Yes, sir. All right, chitty chat. Love you guys. Thanks for coming by today again. Appreciate you guys for being here, man. 3.3K subs, 33 likes. Yeah, some of the threes this month. Angel numbers. Also 13.143. Another 3 there as well. Another 3 here. 933. 333. Yeah, look at that. Bunch of threes. Look, 203. 83. A lot of threes here. All right. I gotta hop off chat. Gotta call it a day. All right. Peace out, guys. Love you guys. Thanks for coming by. Wix on stream, 8 p.m. Eastern. See y'all then. All right.
How sticky it get, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. She want me to play with that cat, ayy. She love how I make it wet, ayy. You know how sticky it get, ayy. Hey yo, Eric, bring them girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid and free big slime out the cage. And it's love, but to me it's looking counterfeit. I get done with one and move right on to another bitch. Yeah. College educated, she graduated. Any bill she can't front, her parents paid it. The show was far, you the only one with a car out your girlfriends. But being that she's a big fan, of course she made it. Most girls wanna hide the fact of the thrill they chasing, but you just wanna get drunk tonight and fuck someone famous. So I just name a time and a place, and you're game for it. Value player, hotel room, meet you there.
Walking on a dream. How can I explain? Talking to myself.
Just traveling the world.
Will I see you back?
Trying different drugs and girls. Yeah.
We are always running for the thrill of it, thrill of it. Always pushing up the hill, searching for the thrill of it. All alone, we are calling out loud again. Never looking down, I'm just ignoring what's in front of me.
Addicted to champagne. Fuck the room, we buy the whole way. Bitches, I Taylor gang that. They just wanna know where the plane's at. Yeah. Wake up drunk, go to sleep fucked up. We both amazed at what we just done. Mixing drinks, knowing we'll regret this. Ain't been asleep yet, room service bringing us breakfast. All this money, darling, what else is left to do? But smoke and enjoy my presidential view. Got a swimming pool in my living room. On stage interviews, tons of sour, let's consume.
We are always running for the thrill of it, thrill of it. Always pushing up the hill, searching for the thrill of it.
Okay.
All alone, we are calling out now again. Never looking down, I'm just ignoring what's in front of me.
Step up in this bitch like I'm the one your bitch like. Yeah, I'm the one your bitch like. And I be talking shit like I ain't scared to lose a fist fight. And she grabbing on my like she wanna see if it'll fit right. That's just the way. Waves don't die. Let me crash you for the moment. I don't need to own you, no lie. Waves don't die, baby. Let me crash you for a moment. Baby, I don't need to. Sun don't shine in the shade. Bird can't fly in a cage. Even when somebody go away, the feelings don't really go away. That's just the way. Waves don't die. Let me crash you for the moment. I don't need to own you, no lie. Waves don't die, baby. Let me crash you for a moment. Baby, I don't need to own you, no lie. No lie. No lie. You set the night on fire. I'm still gonna be here in the morning, no lie.
Crush a bit, little bit, roll it up, take a hit. Feeling lit, feeling right. 2 a.m. summer night. I don't care, hand on the wheel. Driving drunk, I'm doing my thing. Rolling the mid beside him now. Living my life, getting our dreams. People told me slow my roll. I'm screaming out, fuck that. I'ma do just what I want. Looking ahead, no turning back. If I fall, if I die, know I lived it to the fullest. If I fall, if I die, know I lived and missed some bullets.
I'm on the pursuit of happiness, and I know everything that shine ain't always gonna be gold. Hey, I'll be fine once I get it.
what you know about dreaming, dreaming. You ain't really know about nothing, nothing. Tell me what you know about the night, cause every night.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hit that house, they tell me, is you with it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Home invasion was persuasive. What's persuasive? What's persuasive? From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Dreams of living life like rappers do. Like rappers do, like rappers. Back when condom rappers wasn't cool. They wasn't cool, they wasn't. I fucked Shireen and went to tell my bros. Tell my bros, tell my Then Usher Raymond Let It Burn came on. That burn came on, that burn came on. Hot sauce all that night I rhyming, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Park the car, then we start rhyming, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. The only thing we had to free our mind. Free our mind. Then freeze that verse when we see dollar signs. See dollar signs. You looking like an easy come up, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. A silver spoon, I know you come from, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. And that's a lifestyle that we never knew. We never knew. Go at a revving for the revenue. Go Holly Berry or Hallelujah. Pick your poison, tell me what you do. Everybody go respect the shooter, but the one in front of the gun lives forever.
The one in front of the gun forever.
And I've been hustling all day, this away, that away, through canals and alleyways, just to say money trees is the perfect place for shade, and that's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might just fuck your main bitch, that's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might say fuck the niggas that you game with, that's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might just make that lane switch, that's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might turn to $1 million and we all rich, that's just how I feel. Dreams of living life like rappers do. Like rappers do, like rappers. Bump that new E40 after school. Way after school, way after. You know big ballin' with my homies. Bro Stevens had us thinking rational. Back to reality, we pour, yeah, bitch. Ain't nothing casualty at war, yeah, bitch. 2 bullets in my Uncle Tony head. He said one day I'll be on tour, yeah, bitch.
I hate being sober. I hate being sober. Damn, I hate being sober. I'm a smoker, afraid I will drink. I take I want Molly water, but we can't spell sober. Ball I roll up, when we roll up, bitches be on us, all the hoes that love smoking and love drinking and top sober. For no reason, bitch, we can't spell sober. Y'all know us, we smoke strong, bro. Watch me roll up, cause I can't spell sober. On my tour bus, we get dumb high. Use the floor, but Fredo got a hangover. He told Nicole, bro, last night he was shoot shit. I'm like, oh, dawg. Receipt rollin', say them got hoes on my lease. Cheese toast and ball out behind ride Rarries. My bitches love drinking, some love smoking. Let my alcoholic bitch hit the door, she start choking. Call up D-Money, now we throw money. All these bitches off the shits, they walk around like some zombies. Call up D-Money, now we throw money. All these bitches off the shits, walking around like some zombies. Damn, I hate being sober. I'm a smoker, afraid I will drink until I want Molly water, but we can't spell sober. Ball I roll up, when we roll up, bitches be on us, all the hoes that love smoking and love drinking and top sober. For no reason, bitch, we can't spell sober. Y'all know us, we smoke strong, bro. Watch me roll up, cause I can't spell sober.
We got 100 pounds of that shit. Yeah. My stash house with them bricks. Yeah. My pockets filled with them stacks. My bitch be going for flat. She a hot tamale when she pop a molly. It's time to party, we party hard. Drink and smoke it, drink and smoke it, drink and smoke and we out for sure. I came in back of that rose. Nigga, I ain't steadin' them hoes. I trick the bitches up, big trick. What you spend on her, we spend on clothes. Too young for me, she want Sosa. Shoot us in the Range Rover. That's GBE when them 223s get the flying bitches silver. My ring chain and my Rolex when I'm flexing. Bitch, I got to get mine, nigga, get a line, I check 'em. See the gangsters shit done,
can't get a dollar out of me. No Cadillac, no perms you can't see. Then I'm a motherfucking PIMP. I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get a dollar out of me. No Cadillac, no perms you can't see. Then I'm a motherfucking PIMP. Now shorty, she in the club, she dancing for dollars. She got a thing for that Gucci, that Fendi, that Prada, that BCBG, Burberry, Dolce and Gabbana. She feed them fools fantasies, they pay her cause they want her. I spit a little G, man, and my gang got her. An hour later, had her ass up in the Ramada. Them trick niggas in the ear saying they think about her. I got the bitch by the bar trying to get a drink about her. She like my style, she like my smile, she like the way I talk. She from the country, then she like me cause I'm from New York. I ain't that nigga tryna holler cause I want some head. I'm that nigga tryna holler cause I want some bread. I could care less how she perform when she in the bed. Bitch at that track, catch your date and come and pay the kid. Look baby, this is simple, you can't see. You fucking with me, you fucking with a PIMP. I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get a dollar out of me. No Cadillac, no perms you can't see. Then I'm a motherfucking PIMP.
USD.
DA got that dope.
Hey.
Ice water turn Atlantic. Night calling in a phantom. Told them, hold it, don't you panic. Took her island, left the mansion. Drop the roof, more expansion. Drive a coupe, you can stand. She love bitches undercover. I'm an ass and titty lover. Guess we all meant for each other. Now that all the dogs free, and we out in these streets. Can you do it? Can you pop it for me?
Pull up in a demon on guard. Looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet with the rod. It's that Z shit, it's that Z shit. Pull up in a demon on guard. Looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet with the rod. It's that Z shit, it's that Z shit.
Blow the brains out the coop. Polly wanna top, but I'm on mute. I'ma bust her wrist down cause she cute. Ice. Fuck her on the yacht, I've been a pool. She an addict for the lifestyle and the paddock. Big daddy, have you ever felt Chanel fabric? I be dripping to death, I need a casket. And we got more strikes in the rough, we foul tech em. In the middle of the field like David Beckham. All my niggas locked up for real, I'm tryna help them. When I got a meal, got me the chills, don't know what happened. Pop pill, do what you feel, I'm on that zombie. I'm more like Gaddafi, I'm not no Gandhi. I'm more like I'm David Goliath running. Niggas be cloning, I find it funny. Clone. We finna know, straight out the dungeon. We finna know, hey. I go in the mouth, she costing me nothing. 300 the watch is out of your budget. 300. Mean muggin' got me clutching. Yeah, and this stick right out of Russia.
Ice water turn Atlantic. Night calling in a phantom. Told them, hold it, don't you panic. Took her island, left the mansion. Drop the roof, more expansion. Drive a coupe, you can stand it. Bitches undercover. I'm an ass and titty lover. Guess we all meant for each other. Now that all the dogs free, and we out in these streets. Can you do it? Can you pop it for me?
Pull up in a demon on guard. Looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet with the rod. It's that Z shit, it's that Z shit. Pull up in a demon on guard. Looking like I still do fraud. Flying private jet with the rod. It's that Z shit, it's that Z shit. And a Hellcat cause I'm a hellraiser. Self-made, I don't owe a nigga land favor. When you get that money, nigga, keep your heart. I'm sliding in a coupe, ain't got no key to start. I got to follow me in BET Awards. When your well run dry, you know you need me for it. When I pull up in a Buick, you know what I'm doing. If the police get behind me, fleeing any lure. Sleeping on the pallet, turn me to a savage. I'm a project baby, now I stay in Calabash. Like I still serve fiends, like I'm still jacking. I be sipping on lean, trying to keep balance. Take that Z-Walk, dick you with my Reebok. I don't say much, I just let the heat talk. Your jewelry water whoop, diamonds like re-rock. My little baby rock that dick like C-Dog. When I stepped up on the scene, on me.
Going to the jeweler, bust the
I put my grind on it. Put the iron on them if a nigga my opponent. My code 500, I don't put no miles on it. I was running wild, homie, with 500,000 on me. Going to the jeweler, bust the AP, yeah. Sliding on the water like a jet ski, yeah. I'm tryna fuck you on your bestie, yeah. Chopper with this girl, so do not test me, yeah. Ric Flair drip, go woo on a bitch. 5790, spit the coupe on my wrist. Multi-million dollar, I'm a fool with the hits. Hop up in the lemon, drop the roof, show the tits. Twirl my finger, got the gang with me. Bought my purple ticket, got some rain on it. Nigga, we used to kick it, how you hang on me? Hop in the Bentley coupe and blow the brains out of it. We not the same, my nigga, we funding off division. Ain't with your brain, yeah, we bought you like it's an auction, ain't it? Get the chopper, 100 round total, like it's a car collision. I made this shit mandatory, the millions I had to get it. My shooter be begging, please, you ready to whack a nigga? I gave a nigga a dummy, I had to cap a nigga. I'm giving your whole away like she a rapper, nigga. We get added, then we go pray with the past scriptures. Going to the jeweler, bust the AP, yeah. Sliding on the water like a jet ski, yeah. I'm tryna fuck you and your bestie, yeah. Chopper with this girl, so do not test me, yeah. Ric Flair drip, go woo on a bitch. 5790, spit the coupe on my wrist. Multi-million dollar, I'm a fool with the hits. Hop up in the lemon, drop the roof, show the tits. Going to the jeweler, bust the AP, yeah. Sliding on the water like a jet ski, yeah. I'm tryna fuck you and your bestie, yeah. Chopper with this girl, so do not test me, yeah. Ric Flair drip, go woo on a bitch. 5790, spit the coupe on my wrist. Multi-million dollar, I'm a fool with the hits.
New Patek on my wrist, white diamond, them shits in pink. Got go ahead and go get a mink. New finger ring sit like a sink. You a bad bitch, then we can link. Hit the shower, you might stink. Bitch bag, they all might great. And she said little Uzi so great. How you deal with all that hate? Shut a bitch, now give me my green. New Patek on my wrist, white diamond, them shits in pink. Got go ahead and go get a mink. New finger ring sit like a sink. You a bad bitch, then we can link. Hit the shower, you might stink. Bitch bag, they all might great. Now she said little Uzi so great. Okay, your girlfriend like my drip. Happy birthday to that bitch. You're the one that suck my dick. Triple S got that extra grip. So you know I cannot slip. That jewelry part of my wrist. Bring real part of my wrist. Bring real part of my wrist. My shooter gon' shoot, can't miss. My shooter got 30 on the tip. Yeah, I need my fix. Was that a pair of boots from Rick? Had to tell a little girl don't trip. Cool blabber, my money crib. Got clap on lights, no flick. Can't take no pic, no flick. Funny bitch in my new whip. Her ass so fat, can't fit. Her ass so fat, it's amazing. Her ass so fat, it's a miracle. Her last man money is hysterical. She from the 619 rim stereo. Let's go. I'm the same nigga, bust the stereo. Yeah, my boys on the block selling Oslo Cheerios. I wake up in the morning for cereal. Flip the brick, make the whole shit do an aerial. Get the shit out and make the whole scenario. Silences so they really cannot hear me. Killing these beats, I don't Uzi a cereal. Clean up the body, prepare for the burial. Burberry band, got Burberry tennis shoes. I got the sweater, probably I'ma finish you. I am an octopus, I cannot breathe without water, so I put diamonds on my tentacles. How are you stopping us? There's not topping us. You know I had to cop that shit by the two. Blood in my chakra. I would not pop a chip, put money on my ear just for your album, bro. Tell me, little boy, if it's beef, I can chop the shit up like it's prime and treat you like it's up to my chain away, go to your shit look like copper, bro. MCM, yeah, that shit made out of Usher, bro. But I don't wear it, get that to my hoes. Yeah, I swear that little nigga my clone. I had to do this shit all on my own. Yeah, slump shit, little baby, put diamonds on those. New Patek on my wrist. White diamond, them shits in pink. Got go ahead to go get a mink. New finger ring sit like a sink. You a bad bitch, then we can link. Hit the shower, you might stink. Bitch bag, it all night great.
I paid some extra before we ain't come out and don't even wear it. The show ain't playing. I hit the and I gave her some rats and I pull up my pants. She know I ain't stand. Go on the store run and get rubber bands. I done got rich, I done put on my mans. Choppers in traffic, they just how I'm living. They say that I'm tripping, they won't understand. She take a trip, she come back with a tan. I take a trip, I come back with them bands. When I was dealing, it really was killing them. Had them compete, trying to see what I'm paying. She throw a hoodie on soon as we land. She don't like pits, I got too many fans. I'm running, I can do what I want, and it's really a limit. You do what you can. I found a groove and I put that up. Before I run out of cash, they gon' run out of land. I fell in love with this cause it was amazing. I swear I don't need no one night. I'm about to take off, I gave them a chance. They gave me 10 M&M's on advance. Thought I'd be trapping forever, but God came and blessed me. I guess it was part of the plan. How he on fire, but he cool as a fan. Can't get at you, we gon' get at your man. They can relate to me cause I be popping it. Put in their face, let them see what I'm saying. I'm rocking shows like I play with a band. Free all the bros, know I would if I can. If I don't mean it, I swear I ain't saying it. Before I was 21, swear I was savage, smashing. Hold up, who got bad what I need? Roller or deal storage, can't keep up with me. I'm spending thousands like money is none to me. I never coming back, them people under me. Not the fans, yeah, the haters. Lot of bands on the table. They say I went commercial, I ain't know it. They want me catch them, they ain't going back. Play myself on my position, who doing that?
We got effing with extensions, we throwing that. Got my full attention, she throwing that. Talking way too much, I ain't going back. Cause these be holding racks. On the real, yeah, we know you don't own them racks. Pockets full, push them down, they stop poking back. Turn $8 million right into I'm a quarterback. Spend $1 million like I'm trying to bring Kobe back. 24. I'm ready. I use the pot like it's Betty. They say that drop hot and it's ready. Might stretch it out, but it ain't fast. Say my dog doing time. But I know he ain't gonna snitch, cause it's still some he didn't tell me. My dog stepped to Sally. He told me the whole story over the celly. Went up in my price in my pocket like Kelly. Turn the telly, no, I cannot say who no telly. My head getting heavy. And you know I still got my mains on my. No, I can't do no amends. Said I'm taking trips, long flights, they scary. She said her birthday in March, okay, cool, so that means you an Aries. I told her gotta go, she said you serious. Diamond cold is December, my vibe Sagittarius.
Who got mad with I need roller or dear story, can't keep up with me, I'm spending thousands like money.
Yeah, 100 hoes at the hotel. I got her when I can't fail. New foreign, not the Chevelle. Yeah, I got my trip by the mill. This trip ain't going on sale. Banging my gas on pale. Can't fuck with you, petty little bell. Me and my brother like Ken and Kel. Send the rest of my niggas in jail. Now the smoke when that demon fish tail. Niggas hoes and they stolen reveal. Damn, I hope he don't tell. He silent, I'm paying his bill. In the fiction, we keeping it real. I keep me a hammer, no nails. Smooth out the condo, the air. Shoot it like run on the ops. Shoot out the code, he dissolving these pills. Gucci drip down to my socks. Draw the Hellcat out of hell. When it's time, me go to Fox. New Richie Millie, my watch. Yeah, if we standing up, slamming you out. I let too many guys in the house. I can't fuck, then I'm kicking you out. I'm still matching my bet with a pouch. I'm a young gangster miss with a scout.
Now we need to turn on for Wix now one time.
Oh, I called it too. Damn it, no positions. Yeah. That's tough.
Yeah, we need to turn for Wix now one time.
Sign up.
The girl them skill arty. Thunderball, some give it to, some give it to, some give it to our girls. 5,040,000 naughty shorty. Baby girl, all my girls. Thunderball say, well, I'm on the way, the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom. Because the girl them broke out on the floor. From you don't wanna work this performer. From you don't wanna man where can't turn you on. Girl, make I see you when them upon ya. Can't stand for the long, nah eat no yam, no steamed fish, no green banana. But down in Jamaica we give it to you hot like a sauna. Well, I'm on the way, the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom. Bumper expose and girl, you got the chest out, but you know we out, cause girl, you impressed out. And if it is out of me, if it is out, cause I got the remedy for make you de-stress out. Me have a flat to become me God bless out. And girl, if you want it, you have to confess out. And a life where we need set speed, if it is to my chest out. Well, I'm on the way, the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom.
I still can't pay it though, but I got just enough to get off in this club. Have me a good time before my time is up. Hey, let's get it now.
I want the time of my life.
It's worldwide.
Oh, baby. Ooh, give me the time of my life.
Neo, let's get it. This is the last $20 I got, but I'ma have a good time balling in that. Set a bartender, line up some shots, cause I'ma get loose tonight. She's on fire, she's so hot. I'm no liar, she burned up the spot. Look like Mariah, I took another shot. Hold her, drop.